Here we go, yeah. At the top of the class on a roll, hey. And it's time to run it up, yeah, you know, yeah. Maxed out, put the pedal to the floor, yeah. On a roll, here we go, here we go.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Frankie Candles live stream every single weekday right here at 5:45 p.m. right after ATB. Let me know how my audio levels are doing here. Am I blowing out your eardrums? Let me know, because the levels have been getting messed up lately. I just want to make sure I'm not blowing out anybody's ears. But thank you all for tuning in. We've got 116 people in here right now. Little bit slow on Fridays, but we got 32 likes, guys. Make sure you hit that like button if you want to spin that wheel of pain and pleasure for your chance to win a free NFT. I don't know how many NFTs we're giving away today already, but I guarantee you it's going to be a whole lot of them. So definitely smash that like button. And if you guys want to enter into the giveaway, you're going to want to go to the YouTube channel, go to our most recent upload, which was the mods will link that video in chat. You're going to want to click that link, go to that video, leave a comment, like the video, and then come right back to the stream and then go back later to watch the video. Because you should definitely watch the video. This one's a really, really good one. We kind of take a look at, we take a deep dive and we take a look at how great the chances are that we could have possibly already hit the bottom for this bear market. I'm not calling the bottom, but I am saying that there are a lot of things pointing towards us potentially bottoming out at about 17.5. So go check out that video. Definitely some really interesting stuff in there. And they will mods will drop a link in chat. Like I said, leave a like, leave a comment, and then you will be entered in to win tonight's NFTs. We will be announcing the winners at the end of the stream, guys. So stay tuned for that. And again, every 100 likes we get, you guys get a spin on the wheel. 2 spots for a giveaway on that wheel. Let's run the free NFTs up. But guys, with all that being said, let's go ahead and say what's up to chat, because Bitcoin is Bitcoin has been annoying, right? We're watching this key level. We're above it. We think we're moving up, and then we drop back down below it. Okay, we're definitely going down. Now we're back above it. Bitcoin is just attracted to this value area high, this key level of support and resistance that we're looking to either break or break down or break up above, depending on what hour it is, right? But price is just loving this line. Every time it seems that we get a clear breakout, price just keeps coming right back to this level and just sticking to it. So I said this on the morning stream, it's almost like Bitcoin knows. It's like, okay, Frank's about to do a show. Frank's about to go on the morning stream, go back to the level so he has nothing to talk about. That's really what it feels like. But with all that being said, guys, let's go ahead and say what is up to our wonderful people, the Candle Mafia. Let's go ahead and see what the Mafia is doing in chat. Let's say what's up to some people, and then we will get right into the charts. I just saw somebody said something hilarious. You guys always, audio is perfect in the studio. Ben was dropping out on BitBoy this morning. Oh, interesting. Audio. Okay, perfect. Thank you, Blue Punk Rocker, for updating me on that. I don't know. Somebody said, if you're a fan, smash that like button. And if you're not a fan, sorry, but you're outnumbered. So make sure to hit that dislike button 2 times. Shout out to whoever said that. I lost the chat. I don't know who said it, but it was pretty funny. And then Wick says, oh yeah, okay, here it is. Who said it? I can't find who said it, but then Wick says, darn straight, if you're a fan, hit the like button. If you're not a fan, you're outnumbered. So be sure to hit the dislike like button 2 times. It was Wick that said that. Shout out to you, Wick, 589. We love you over here, man. You are an OG. Who else do we have in chat today? MBF, what is going on? Tom Carey, what is going on? Brad Gabriel, what is going on, my friend? Good to see you here again. A-Train, SJ, Spaceman V, welcome back. Pong Meh, Uncle Jimmy, good to see you again, brother. I feel like it's been a little bit, but we're happy to have you, brother. Thank you for coming back, and it's good to see you, man. Let's see. Carl, what is going on? Cindy Von Hetkar, welcome back. Thank you for being here. Blue Punk Rocker, as always, definitely smash some the like for those free NFTs. Let's go, Blue Punk Rocker. Shout out to our wonderful mods, Tyler Jordan, Crypto Billy, Crypto Anon, Captain Kirk, Tony D, I don't know, Tyler Jordan, D Petty Crypto. There's so many now. I can't remember them all, but I think that's all though. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just like really terrified I'm gonna forget somebody. There's a lot. I just don't want to forget anybody. Anyway, DJ, what is going on? Friday, Frankie Candles Frenzy. Let's go. Little FFCF. Let's go. And not CF as in crypto phase, but we do love crypto phase on this channel. Let's go. Crypto Anon, what is going on, brother? Tom Carey, thank you for being here. Stefan, Cow's World, welcome back. Thank you for being here. Crypto Action, what is going on? Hi, Frankie, what you saying? I'm saying, what's up, Crypto Action? How are you doing today, brother? Glad to see you here. What's cooking, good looking? YOLO Baggins, looking pretty fresh yourself there, my man. Tyler, what is going on? Mas Nokas, what is going on, man? Love seeing you in here. Ad, what is going on? Bryce Byers, Dr. Dark Sayon. I don't know how to say that. I'm sorry. Eric, what is going on? And Moosey Moose, does Femex work on MacBook? Yes, Femex works on PC and Mac. So yeah, absolutely. Blanchard's Bees, what is going on? Welcome back. Crypto Lucian, what is going on? A-Train, Hillbilly Crypto. Oh no, the Billies are coming back. Let's see. Biomex, what is going on? Biomex, good to see you, brother. Let's see. Sam, what's going on? Mr. Javito says, first time here live. Hey, fam. Mr. Javito, very, very good to have you here, man. Welcome to the live stream. We're happy to have you here. Enjoy the show, man. I have a feeling this is not going to be your last show. It's not going to be the same without you now. What's going on, man? Thank you for being here. Mezza, what's going on? David, what is going on? David Brumbelow, thank you for being here, brother. I never know how to say your name, man. I'm sorry. Tyler, what is going on? And Chris, what is going on? We got 327 people in here. So now we got a little bit of a crowd here. Without further ado, guys, let's pray. Let's pray that this sweet stream deck works because it just breaks on us. I think it's going to break again today, but we're going to roll with the punches here. BJ is on it. He's going to fix it for us as BJ fixes all of our problems. Shout out to BJ. Frankie Candles and the Candle Mafia absolutely love you, BJ. We wouldn't be able to do this show without you. Shout out to BJ. Anyway, with all that being said, guys, let's go ahead and jump into the charts. And here we are. Got to change these topics. But anyway, guys, what is Bitcoin doing? It's actually really frustrating. It's like, this is Ethereum, but it's actually really frustrating, right? We're back above 23K. I mean, this explains Bitcoin to a T, right? This doji candle right here is literally the definition of Bitcoin right now. Indecisive, more indecisive than Mrs. Candles when I ask her what she wants to eat for dinner. I think you guys know what I'm talking about, right? Hey, babe, where do you want to go to eat? Oh, I don't care. You pick. I don't know. You want to get sushi? Nah, I don't really like sushi. Oh, all right. You want to go get pizza? Nah, I don't really like pizza. All right. Well, what do you want? I don't really care. You pick. Hibachi? No, I don't really like hibachi. Chicken? You want to go get burgers? What do you? No, I don't know. Okay, so you pick. No, I don't want to pick. You pick. I'm telling you right now, Bitcoin is more indecisive than Mrs. Candles when I ask her what to eat. I think some of you guys can relate to that. Not a bad thing, just the truth. Shout out to Mrs. Candles. I love you so much. Anyway, but she knows it's true. She knows it's true. One time when we were at a meetup in Minneapolis, miles away from home, I went on a trip to go, it wasn't a meetup. It was, I think it was VCon. We went to VCon, and Mrs. Candles called me on the phone. I said, hey, what's up? Everything okay? I'm at the VCon. And she's like, yeah, I just wanted to ask you what I should eat for dinner. So that's, I do think a lot of you guys, the daily struggle, so true. Yeah, I knew someone was going to relate to that, guys. It's a struggle, but hey, that's why, men and women are very, I feel like it's common. But anyway, shout out to Mrs. Candles. I love you, and I know the Mafia loves you too. But guys, this is the definition of Bitcoin right now. Just indecision candle here. This doji candle doesn't get more indecisive than this, guys. And it's just like, I don't even care if you can stop me out of my short. Just do something. Oh my God. Anyway, sorry guys, I'm a little heated right now over the price. It's just like annoying. Anyway, let's start. Let's start here on the daily. Daily money flow, guys. Let me move this over. Daily money flow starting to curve out. There's some mixed signals here, but we're going to talk about it. Money flow coming out on the daily, right? VWAP coming up, money flow coming out. That would be generally bearish for me. We stayed below the zero line, basically money flow going flat for about 14 days, and now we are finally starting to curve out. When money flow is not able to break that zero line, you could consider that a bearish sign, but now that we're curving down here with the money flow again, it is making me feel a little bit bearish. But like I said, there are some mixed signals here. Let's go ahead and let's keep coming down here. 16-hour green dot, this would indicate a possible move to the upside, but your money flow is coming down, right? Like I said, a lot of mixed signals here, guys. I feel like we're at that part in the market, at that point in the bear market where things are just weird, right? We're getting a lot of mixed signals. We get really, really bullish signals and not much happens. And also, checking on the weekly and the 6-day here, guys, these VWAPs are starting to roll over, and we never saw Bitcoin break out of its range in an extreme way, right? We did come out of the range, but not like Ethereum did and not like some of these altcoins did. So obviously, it is possible to get another little kick up here because you do have your money flow coming up. That is kind of your good sign. Money flow is generally coming up. But your 6-day as well starting to roll over. Your 5-day rolling over even more. 4-day, obviously, it's going to get more extreme as you go down the time frames there. But there you go. Daily money flow coming out. 16-hour green dot, 12-hour green dot, printing, not confirmed, but money flow coming out on the 12-hour as well. So you got these 12 and 16-hour green dots, but the money flow is coming out. So to me, that could indicate that we kind of come up and then just roll back over and the VWAP recrosses and prints a red wave. A red dot. 8-hour, right? 8-hour coming down towards that zero line here. Now, again, similar with the 4-hour and 15-minute strategy that we talk about a lot. When you have the 8-hour VWAP crossing below the zero line or above the zero line, in this case, below the zero line, when you have that 8-hour VWAP crossing down below the zero line, number one, it typically indicates that you could get a decent move down, right? And then also you could come down to these lower time frames and look for the money flow crossovers to the downside to indicate a possible strong move down, right? So your 15 minutes coming out, your 24-minute is kind of coming up there, but your 30-minute is coming out. So if you start seeing these cross over into the red, and I mean, this is kind of curving up, but it is generally coming out, right? That's kind of how you could see things, right? You want them, you connect peak to peak, and you want things to generally point in a direction, right? And typically that direction is which way the price wants to go. Right now, money flow is coming up, but generally money flow is coming out, right? When you start comparing the peaks. So with that being said, if you get a crossover here with that 8-hour red dot at the same time could indicate a strong move down. Let me turn on Market Cipher A in case we have any more real bearish signals pop up. 6-hour red dot looking to print here. Money flow kind of rolling over. 5-hour. Let's check our regular candles too, just to make sure we're not missing any signals. 4-hour is printing a red dot here. And it is starting to curve back, right? If you guys look right here, you can see you have your VWAP coming below the zero line, but you are starting to round off. Now, that doesn't really say too much because you could just have this thing come back down. But it is interesting, you know, when it's coming straight down like that, it does typically play out a little more bearishly, but it does kind of look like we're swooping already, maybe potentially coming back up to that zero line to print a green dot. But right now, 4-hour red dot is printing, and then checking that 15-minute money flow, you would want to see that cross over into the red to potentially mark a big move to the downside, but not happening quite yet. Checking those regular candles on the 4-hour, no blood diamonds or anything like that. 3-hour, checking that regular candles again. Let's see, yeah, so 3-hour, you printed the red dot, now you're printing a green dot. So again, mixed signals there, but your money flow is generally, coming down, kind of flat there, but, your money flow is in the red there. 2-hour, VWAP coming to the upside. 1-hour, I mean, things are just all over the place right now, as far as Market Cipher goes. Yeah, these are rough times right now, guys. Just generally coming to these lower time frames. Again, I mean, you're in the green, you're in the red, now you're in the green again, right? You do have your little green continuation there, continuation dot there, but again, a lot of times you see these pop up at the top. 15-minute generally coming out with the money flow, 20-minute kind of coming up with the money flow. Frustrating, guys, frustrating. Generally coming out on the 30-minute, 45-minute. God, coming up. You can't make this up. Very mixed signals here, guys. Let's just look at the market. Let's just look at the price action here because I want to point out these levels and let you guys know really what I'm watching, right? We look at the indicators to get, maybe bearish leaning or bullish leaning. If we get a confirmed 5-hour red dot or confirmed red hour, confirmed 4-hour blood diamond, something like that would indicate a strong move to the downside. We could feel a little bearish, but right now we're getting a lot of mixed signals on the indicators. But this is what we're watching, guys. Levels remain the same for like the 5th day in a row. I mean, we're just not getting much happening here. This is very, very boring. Very, very boring price action. But I mean, you could argue. You could argue, guys. You could argue. So you could potentially be in a little falling wedge here, right? Which typically break to the upside, right? It is a bullish bias pattern. And you could argue, I mean, call me crazy, guys. But if you come to a lower time frame, you could argue that you are potentially breaking out of here, and now you are bullishly retesting the resistance as support, and maybe that brings you up. Maybe that falling wedge, you could break up to the upside. However, if price action is going to continue acting how it is right now with these scammy price movements and just kind of not doing much, we could easily break back into this pattern. So these are the levels I'm watching, right? Levels remain the same. This is our main level. This is the thing, right? We finally got a breakdown of this level. And I finally thought, listen, it was good for my short. So yay for my short. But also real quick, before I continue, guys, stay tuned because towards the end of the stream, I'm going to show you an indicator that a community member sent me. I don't know. I think they created it. But essentially what they did was they took the bearish signals on Market Cipher A and inverted them. So not only does that Market Cipher A have blood diamonds and manipulation X's to the downside, but it also has, I've been calling them dollar diamonds, which are green diamonds on the bottom of the candles that indicate big moves to the upside, and purple X's, purple manipulation X's, which indicate manipulation to the upside. So literally, I'm going to show you guys that. And I was looking back at it. It's pretty interesting, and it actually does play out. We got BJ in the studio, just being promiscuous. I'll say that. He's being promiscuous. But shout out to BJ. We were just talking about you, brother. Because you fix everything.
Wow.
You're the fixer.
Straight back work?
Stream Deck is currently working. Actually, let's test it while you're here. Let's test it while you're here. We'll go to topic 1. Of course it's working because BJ's in the room.
Did you transition?
I did. It all works. It all works.
I'm just going to hit buttons.
Okay, BJ's going to hit buttons. Here we go, guys. Things might get crazy. But I'm just going to keep going here. Hopefully the chart doesn't go away. There you go. Sting it.
Ooh.
Whoa.
Back to the same thing.
Boom. There we go. Let's go. Actually, that's good. BTCTA is where we're at.
Do this over and over again. One more.
Boom.
All right, works for now. If it breaks,
Love
it's
it.
your fault.
Thank you. Yeah, it always is my fault. Thank you, BJ. We love you. Picking your nose on the internet. Unbelievable. Guys, the one and only BJ. Literally the reason this stream works is because of him. We love BJ. Thank you, BJ. Have a good weekend. Be safe. But guys, I'm going to show you that indicator towards the end of the stream. It's actually really interesting, and I back tested it. It looks pretty good. I'm not going to lie. I'm probably one of the more skeptical people when it comes to indicators. I like to really test them. This one looks pretty good, right? But anyway, this is the level, right? We broke down here yesterday. As you guys know, I like to break down what has happened since the last stream and this stream, just so we could kind of, this is what I'm looking for, right? I just kind of like to retouch on it. This is what we were looking for. This is what happened. So we were waiting, right, for either a break up with something like this, where you break up, find support, and then get a move up. Because typically when that happens on a value area high, sometimes you come down, you get that bounce, and then you can get a price move up, and then your value area will actually shift to the upside. But we didn't get that, right? We got rejected, and then we were back down, and then we were back over, and then we were back down, and then we're back over. And then finally, this is where I thought it was like, finally, this thing broke down. I was happy because it broke down the way we thought it was going to break down. Right? We lost the level, bearish retest, just like I tell you guys all the time. This is what you want to look for. Break to the downside, you break that level of support, and you get a bearish retest with the confirmation of a blood diamond or sometimes a yellow X, and that is a pretty strong indication that that bearish retest is going to dump you to the downside, and that is exactly what we had happen here. Obviously, we came down. Now, then we just came right back over it. And then we were like, oh no, now we're gonna break to the upside. It was a fake out. Then we went back below. Guys, it's just loving this level. It's just flirting with this level. It doesn't want to break up. It doesn't want to break down. And it's frustrating. It's very frustrating. We just want this thing to break down. We did get pretty close to our first target here, but not quite there. Looking for that 222 level. If we do come down to that level, and we finally get a breakdown, and we come to either this level, this local golden pocket at about $22,222, or we come down all the way to this point of control / local golden pocket at about 20,000, almost 21,000 even. If we come down to either of these levels, and we are seeing bullish divergences or other bullish signals either on Lux Algo or bullish divergences on Market Cipher B, maybe big green dots, whatever our confirmations are, if we are getting those confirmations, and get in that free Discord, because if this happens, I will be putting these setups in the Discord. But if we have price come down here and we have, something like a bullish divergence, you could probably get some decent scalp trades or scalp longs off of these levels, and potentially they could turn, maybe you come down, test here before breaking out, and then it could potentially turn into a swing trade. But things remain the same, guys. We're watching the same level, and price just wants to flirt and play around and just stick to this level. So that's basically the story, guys. And then the three main levels we're watching, I'm going to come over to the 4 hours so we can kind of just take a look here. These are the levels we're watching, right? The value area high at about 22 or 23, almost 23,000 even. And then we are watching this POC at about $21,000 even. And we also have the value area low as well as this spider line down here closer to that $19,000 level. So these are the levels we're looking for. You guys know the deal. If we lose this value area high and we start closing multiple higher time frame candles underneath this, it would be pretty bearish to possibly be working our way closer to this local golden pocket / point of control at about $21,000. So things remain the same, guys. Levels remain the same. Not much has happened. I mean, it's basically just been boom, 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 boom. Just boring sideways action, just absolutely teasing us. So let's go ahead and I actually want to see. I could have sworn I saw a blood diamond printing. Yeah, I mean, I guess Yeah, I guess it disappeared. Yeah, might have been printing there and then disappeared. I think it was printing right here and then it was gone. But yeah, you know, no blood diamonds on any of these time frames. Just looking for something to give us a hint. Yeah, we're just not getting anything here. A blood diamond on the 1 minute. Oh no, guys, it's going to 0. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. But we got 500 people in here, guys. Smash up that like button. We're going for 550 likes. We've been trying to get 550 likes all week, and it has not happened. If we get 550 likes, I will give you guys 10 spins on the wheel. And then we'll wind up giving way more NFTs than we can afford to you guys. But it'll all be worth it because we love the Mafia. Also, guys, today's energy is brought to you by the Hawaiian volcanic, the Hawaiian volcanic water. Very, very natural and good for your skin. Oh yeah. Anyway, so hello, CandleMafia moderators and Frankie Candles, Eric Ward. What is going on? Thank you for being here. Let's see. Captain Kirk's like, what indicator are we talking about? I'm going to show you guys the indicator towards the end of the stream. Very, very interesting. We got blood diamonds on Market Cipher, and now we got money diamonds or dollar diamonds. The opposite. Very, very cool. We're going to take a look at it. But yeah, this is what we're looking at, guys. Last night we did have bullish divergences printing absolutely everywhere. I actually wouldn't have been surprised if we got a bigger move to the upside. From yesterday, we did have the bullish divergences printing everywhere on the 4-hour. We got it on the 3-hour. We got it on the, not on the 6-hour, but you had the 5-hour, the 4-hour, the 3-hour, the 2-hour. They're printing everywhere, right? Just it didn't even really give us that much of a move. So, granted, we could see it continue, right? But there's the levels to watch, guys. Like I said, not much has changed. Ethereum back over $1,700. Also, not too much, not really too much to look at here. Looking very similar to Bitcoin. Let me just get rid of some of these lines. Bada boom, bada bing. I'm probably going to make some fresh charts this weekend. If I'm being honest, I'm a complete chart nerd. But we are building a new studio at the house, guys. So there's going to be even more content. You guys thought we made a lot of content now. Just wait until this home studio is done. Now I can literally make content whenever I want, right? 2 in the morning, I got an idea. I can go make a video. It's going to be high quality. It's going to look nice. You won't even know when I'm at the studio or at the home studio. They're just both going to look good. So I'm super pumped about that because now I'm going to be able to get super urgent videos out to you guys. We're going to be able to do on-the-spot tutorials. Whatever it is, it's going to be great. I'm going to be able to basically just work more. Which I never thought I'd say this, but I'm actually very happy about that. So anyway, because my job now entails helping you guys. And if I could do anything to help you guys more often, I'm going to do it. So those are the levels to watch on Bitcoin. So for Ethereum here, I mean, it's essentially the same thing, right? We came up to this $1,800 level, right? Again, kind of worried about the fact that we broke all the way out to our top price target here. Our last price target got hit absolutely perfectly, and now we're starting to come back down. Wondering if Bitcoin's going to follow suit, right? Bitcoin did not make it all the way up to this previous consolidation area. Hoping Bitcoin can get up there, but it's very questionable right now. But you know, some levels to watch to the upside. If we get up to about 18K, let's pull up our VPVR. If we get up to about 18K and we break this, there is a little bit of a volume gap. Probably up, you're probably looking close to about 2K, right? If we break this 18K, I think 2K is going to be likely. So is ETH going to hit $2,000 in the near future? It could be possible. But we got to make sure it doesn't roll over. We are going into a weekend, guys. You want to be careful. The weekends can be brutal. There's low volume. The price action's usually a little bit weird. I typically don't trade on the weekends. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, so for Ethereum, looking very, very similar to Bitcoin, if we're being 100% honest. But yeah, I think if we do break up, I think 2K is likely. And if we did continue to break down, we do have this local golden pocket down here. As well as this level here at about 1550 is going to be a strong level. And I personally and honestly just don't really like the way this chart looks. So I'm going to make a new ETH chart. This is just, there's too many levels here. I'm not a big fan of this. I'm going to make a whole new chart. But yeah, the main level I would be watching is that level at about 1550. Because if we zoom out here, you have your POC down here at about 1147, and your value area high is at about, we are below our value area high right now. But yeah, I would watch that 1550 level if we do pull back. But again, looking very similar to Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is being kind of stubborn right now. But because Bitcoin has been hard to read, guys, this is why we look at other things that can give us a clue into the market, or maybe a little bit of insight into the market. If we look at the US dollar index, or the DXY, or the DXY, or the D to the X to the E, I don't know what you want to call it, but this has got me kind of tripping, guys. This is weekly bearish divergence. Weekly bearish divergence, right? Boom. You see it here. Higher highs, lower highs. This is a very bearish sign for the DXY. But we do have all this support down here, right? Not only do we have this horizontal support, we are also coming down to a lower time frame. We have also come down to the bottom of this channel. Now you can see, obviously, how far can we bring this? There you go. Okay, so you can see, typically when we come down to this area, we get a move back to the top, right? And then we get rejected back down, and then we come back up, and then we come back down. And now we are at the bottom of this channel, right? And we have the horizontal support, and we're at the bottom of the channel. This was, we had the weekly bearish divergence, but I brought this up the other night on the stream because this is making me feel maybe a little bearish on Bitcoin and a little bullish on the DXY. Now, your one saving grace is you do have this level of resistance at about 107.08. So you do have some resistance above you, but we did hit this strong level of support. Are we going to work our way up to the top of this channel again and make another higher high from over here? In which case, we could see Bitcoin break down, maybe closer to that 22K level. So you want to remember, price has come down to pretty strong support here, and we have come back to retest, and we're continuing higher. So watch this level on the DXY for a breakout to the top of this channel, which would be bearish for Bitcoin. Now, on the flip side, this does give us a little more insight, even though the Bitcoin chart is a little hard to read. It is being a little stubborn. I absolutely hate when Bitcoin does this because, number one, I hate unclear charts, right? And on top of that, I hate coming on the stream because we don't have much to talk about because nothing has happened, right? There's not that much new information. So looking at something like the DXY can kind of help us, get a little bit of a better insight into what's going on. But not only are we getting mixed signals on Bitcoin, but we have a weekly bearish divergence on the DXY as we're coming down to strong support. Is that bearish or bullish? It's really hard to say. The weekly bearish divergence is very bearish, right? A weekly bearish divergence can be very strong on any asset, right? On Bitcoin, the last time we had a weekly bearish divergence was at the top, right? Higher high, lower high, boom, you dump down. Obviously, very dramatically. And the DXY, this is just as bearish, right? But the fact that we're seeing this bounce off of that channel, the fact that we're getting a bounce off of this channel and starting to move up does have me a little bit worried. You do have money flow coming up here on the 6 hour with a nice little trigger wave. If this was on Bitcoin, I'd be feeling pretty bullish about this. 4 hour money flow starting to come up. Your daily money flow is coming down. So this is your bearish case for the DXYs. That money flow is coming out pretty harshly. So I told you guys yesterday, I believe, to keep an eye on this money flow crossover into the red for the DXY to see some real bullish action for Bitcoin. And just in the opposite, you want to keep an eye on this money flow crossover to the upside on Bitcoin. I do believe that if we are going to see a move come out of Bitcoin, and I'm talking about the move that we've been waiting for, right? Where you break this purple box and you get that fast, violent move up to about 30K. I think if this is going to happen, that daily money flow crossover into the green is there's no better reason for price to go up, right? If you see that daily money flow crossover into the green, I think that could finally be what gives us that pump up for Bitcoin. But again, hard to really lean in either direction. So there's some juice for you guys. Let's check in on the SPY as well. Come on, SPY. Here we go. Let's go ahead and take a look at the SPY. Also, something you want to take into account here, guys, is the SPY is coming up to resistance, right? So the SPY was running as, Ethereum was running and some of the altcoins were running. And now the SPY is running up against some resistance. So if we get a big rejection, maybe next week on the SPY, obviously would be very bearish for Bitcoin. So another thing, another bearish puzzle piece is that the SPY is up against some strong resistance here. You could see that it did bring us down over here last time, and now we're coming up for a second try. We are printing a red dot here on the daily too, which is confirmed. You got the money flow crossover to the upside, but you do have a confirmed red dot. So we could see a little cool off here. So keep an eye out for that next week. Next week, I think if something's going to happen, it might happen next week, unless we get something crazy happening on the over the weekend, right? Because the weekends can get a little bit nutty. Also, guys, I am also going to be showing you guys some top altcoins that you can watch. Whoever was in Debate Crypto's live stream last night, thank you guys for supporting. I appreciate you guys showing in there, showing that Mafia love. But we were talking about, some altcoins we were looking at. Garrett Soloway said he was looking at Solana. I said I was looking at, or CVO said he was looking at Dogecoin. I said I was looking at STEPN or GMT, which is funny because all three of those coins were coins that I put in the Discord saying that they were set up in very, very bullish patterns, right? Doge set up in a bullish pattern. We actually called that and woke up to a 10% gain on that. So congrats to anybody who caught that. But we had Doge, Solana, and GMT both in the Discord, called them. There you go. Garrett Soloway, CVO, calling the same coin. So I just brought up GMT. But I'm going to show you guys some coins that are looking, if Bitcoin is going to get a continued move to the upside, we get that daily money flow crossover. I'm going to give you guys those altcoins to watch that have not broken out of their range yet, that are still setting up in super bullish patterns. So we're going to take a look at that in just a little bit here. So stay tuned, and I'm going to show you guys that indicator too. So super, super fun stuff coming up here. Okay, so let's say what is up to chat real quick before continuing. 18K ETH. Let's go, Lunar Beach Crypto. Yes, maybe, possibly. I mean, we're pretty close, to be honest. My best trades have been on the weekend. Unforgettable name. Listen, just because I don't trade on the weekends does not mean that you don't have to trade on the weekends. To be honest, weekends used to be when I would trade, right? Because that was when I had the most time to trade at some point in my life. I had a job, and I mean, I guess technically I still have a job, but, I had a job that was not in crypto, and I would have to like sneak looking at the charts, and the boss walks by and you got to minimize it. So yeah, I would only be able to trade on the weekends, but now I kind of, I don't like trading on the weekends just because of the low volume, but also you have to understand that I look at charts literally 25 hours a day, 5 days a week, and I still can't stay away from them on the weekends. So I just kind of made a promise to myself, like, you're already looking at the charts. You're already in trades all the time during the week. Like on the weekends, just I try to take a step back at least a little bit and just kind of hang out with Mrs. Candle. So, just because I don't trade on the weekends doesn't mean you can't. Unforgettable name. So if you crush it on the weekends, brother, keep doing you, my man. Let's see. Chat quiet. Yeah, man. I don't know. Chat has been quiet lately. It is interesting because the views aren't the amount of people we have in here aren't really that low. Hey, Jose Rules, what is going on? So many young people became millionaires with XRP in South Korea. Let's go. Can't hate on that. Is Cardano dead? Absolutely not. Not in my opinion. I don't think Cardano is dead. Bear market, right? It's a bear market. It's bear market activities, guys. I don't think Cardano is definitely not dead, at least in my opinion. Full moon soon. FOMO Sapien says, full moon soon. Yeah. Should be interesting. Apparently there's something to the moon cycles. I don't follow it, but I heard it works. That's all I can say. Let's see. Happy Frankie Friday. What's up, Captain Denny? Let's see. Max saying hoping for a dip, at least the bottom of the channel for BTC, but ETH seems to be running the show and isn't slowing down. Yeah, ETH, the market leader, 100%. We're concentrating. Ivar says we're concentrating. That's why chat's quiet, so you can't hate on that. They're taking notes with their sauce. You know what I'm saying? Lane Hughes, what's going on, brother? I see you. He says, Frankie, yo, what's going on, Lane Hughes? Happy Friday, my man. Thank you for being in here, brother. Absolute OG. We love having you in here, man. Hope you're having a good day, Lane. DJ says it's because we're listening. Hey, can't hate on that. Can't hate on that. Brain tomato. Crypto. Chemistry. I almost called you crypto, bro. Why did I call you crypto, bro? Chemistry, bro. What? Brain tomato. I'm sure that means something. But sometimes when I'm live, guys, my brain turns off. Brain tomato. Anyway, let's see. Nate, what is going on? Ada's going to be fire. Yeah, Ada's not dead in my opinion. Frankie Candles, you are tripping. It's just Friday. Oh, yeah. Well, that's true, too. Fridays are kind of slow for us. People go out on Friday. They want to go home. It's the end of the week. They're not, which is fine. But yeah, 546 people. Not bad for a Friday stream, guys. Smash the like button. 550 likes. We're spinning that wheel 10 times. We're going to give you guys some free NFTs. And just a shout out to our community. I tried to give a free NFT to the first person that logged into the chat yesterday, and it was flat smack. I feel like that sounds wrong, but I don't think it is. And I said, hey, bro, I was like, you have a Nami wallet? And he was like, I don't remember if he said yes or not. I was like, well, you were first, man. And I'm just sitting here bored, like waiting for the show to start. So I'm just going to send you an NFT. And he's like, no, just give it to the next person that comes. It's okay, man. Like, I want to give it to someone else. And I tried to give it to someone else. They said the same thing. They're like, oh, I appreciate that, man. But I don't know. Give it to somebody else. And I'm just like, geez. Too nice. Let's see. Hard to comment and cook at the same time. We here, Frankie. Let's go. And Nunzi, bro. What is going on, brother? Nice. What are you cooking? Anything good? Let me know. I'm hungry. Kronos. We'll take a look at Kronos today. That's fine. In a few minutes, we'll take a look at the alts. I'm just going to go over some sauce. It's actually our next topic. And now that BJ's gone, the stream deck's broken. Unbelievable. I can't change the topic. Can't make it up, guys. BJ, if you're watching this, I don't know. Pray for me, man. Anyway, late, but I made it. Crypto guy, what is going on? Palmetto Nick, welcome back. Hillbilly Crypto, what is up? Como se comas, what is going on? He says, too nice. Let's see. I have yet to buy an NFT. Well, Mitchell, if you join our giveaway, you might get your first one tonight. That's for sure. I'll take the NFT. I'm greedy. Nate, shout out PYR. Lane, we will check out PYR. I think we need to make that like a stream staple. We check PYR for Lane every single stream. Because he's always in here. He deserves his own altcoin analysis section. So we just lock in PYR for Lane. Let's go. Time to start. Giveaway Frankie Candles hats. Bud Lightyear. We actually have given away some hats. But yes, much more to come, guys. The merch is in the works. It's in the works, guys. Super exciting. We got a lot of stuff coming up. That's really exciting. So pumped. I just nailed the pump on VRA 5X. Woo woo. Let's go DAX. Okay. So with all that being said, guys. Oh, I just deleted chat. Get the back here. Okay. Anyway, Stefan, what is going on? Ham Wizard in the house. What is going on? Ham Wizard, or as I like to call him, Pig Magician. I'm just kidding. I don't know why I'm like this, guys. Near after sauce, please. Yes, John Wick. Absolutely, guys. Respect John Wick in the chat. You don't want him going nuts on you. Anyway, we can take a look at Wi-Fi too. I see you. Let's see. Mr. Ripple, please, do you have a tutorial for beginners? Mr. Ripples, what kind of tutorial? We got tons of tutorials for beginners. Let me know what kind, and the mods could probably help you find the video. I felt like the redheaded stepchild. No, Jay Rego, we'll check out your coins too. You know what? Everybody gets a coin. You get a coin. You get a coin. You get TA on your coin. You get TA on your coin. You get a Lambo. You get a Lambo. I was gonna throw money. I don't have money. You get a TV remote. Anyway, okay, guys. So we took a look at the DXY. We took a look at the SPY. The DXY looking bearish, looking bullish. The SPY approaching heavy resistance. So you want to be really careful. If that thing dumps, it's going to be a bad day for Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is just being stubborn. And Bitcoin's sleeping outside tonight. I'm just going to say it. Anyway, guys, let me go ahead and show you guys this little indicator. I wish I remembered exactly who did this, but it took me a while to realize that they gave me access. So I forget who it was, but shout out to them. I should find out and give them credit. But I do believe that they created the indicator, if I'm not mistaken. But let's pull off the VPVR and let's take a look at this. Now, if you want to find this indicator, it's just called Cypher A by Crypto Eats the World, I think it was, right? Let's see. There you go. Crypto Eats the World if you want to check this out. I'm not associated with this. I'm just checking it out for fun. I figured you guys would like it. But Crypto Eats the World, this is the Trading View page if you guys want to check it out. And anyway, yeah, so here you go. It's called Cypher A. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, guys. This is interesting stuff. Boom. Perfect example. You got the dollar diamond. This is what I'm calling it. I don't know if he calls it anything. Maybe he calls it dollar diamonds. I don't know. He might have told me. I don't remember. But if he's not calling it dollar diamonds, he's got to call it dollar diamonds. But there you go. You get the literal opposite of a blood diamond. And boo, right? Bang, you come up. Boom. Green diamond. Boo, you come up. Right? So looking pretty good. Green diamonds this whole way up. It looks pretty good. Bringing it over to Bitcoin. Let's see how it did. Boom, you had one right here. Bang, you came up. Boom, you had one here. Bang, you came up. Boom, you had one down here. That would have been beautiful. The green diamond, as you retest that spider line, boom, you come straight up. And you can check it on other time frames as well. Now, I'm not advertising this. I'm not saying like, this is the greatest indicator, guys. You have to use this. I just find cool stuff, and I like to bring it to your attention. I spend a lot of time on these charts, and I feel like a lot of times I find things that not a lot of people find. But I didn't find this. Someone brought this to me, a community member. If you're out there, or if we find whoever made this, we need to get back in touch with them because it's pretty cool. Anyway, double green diamonds here. Boom, you come way up. Green diamond here. Boom, you come way up. Boom, green diamond here. You come way up. Guys, it's not bad. It's not. I'm very, very skeptical about indicators. This is not bad. Now, not only does it have the green diamonds, but it has the purple manipulation X's to the upside. So you get these purple X's indicating manipulation to the upside. I don't know how he did this. I don't know if there's a way to just take market cipher and invert the, I have no idea. But you could say, I mean, it seems useful. I haven't used this to trade with. I mean, but like if you just back test it, it's pretty good. I mean, we were basically just ranging here, but I mean, that one didn't give you much. That one gave you a little bit. But nothing, you know, even all blood diamonds don't play out. That one didn't play out the best. This one didn't play out the best, but not all blood diamonds play out the best either. So, you know, nothing's 100%. But I found, you know, green diamond, you come up, right? Green diamond, you come up. Green diamond, you come up. Might be small moves. Blood diamond down. That blood diamond didn't play out. So nothing's 100%. But I found this very, very interesting. And you also have this also has the regular market cipher indicators as well. Green diamond, you come up. I'm looking for the purple X's. Let's, yeah, look. Look. This one. I mean, that's pretty good. That's pretty good in my opinion. Let's go find another purple X. Let's find another one. Let's see. Wow, there was one here. Didn't really play out. But I don't want to spend too much time on it. The purple ones, yeah, you got a purple and a green diamond at the same time. You came up. The purple diamonds are kind of hard to find. Boom, you come up. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this. I mean, it's really not that much more to it. You get the green diamonds, you get the opposite of a blood diamond, the opposite of a yellow X. Pretty cool. I like it. I mean, I haven't tested it really severely. I haven't really tested it, but I mean, it's pretty good. I like it. I gotta say. But anyway, back to regular market cipher. Okay, how far? All right, we're about 50 minutes in. If you guys want to go ahead and throw your altcoins in, we could go ahead and take a look at some of your altcoins. And while we build the list, let me bring up the altcoins. You read the title. The title says top altcoins I'm watching. And we're going to pull them up here. We're going to pull them up. So number one, I'm going to bring these. I just mentioned these, but I'm going to bring them up so you guys can get an idea of why I'm feeling bullish on these coins, right? And the first one is Doge. Doge, this is a pretty bullish pattern, and we are getting a bounce off of this support level. Hey, let's turn on. Let's see. Is it a green diamond? Are we getting a green diamond there? I can already predict the green diamonds, guys. I can already predict the green diamond on the daily. Now, again, I haven't put this indicator through its paces. I don't know how often I'll use it, but I mean, they do tend to play out. I'm not going to lie. I mean, look at this one. Boom. So pretty interesting there. Green diamond on the daily. Who knows? Who knows? Again, I have lightly looked at this indicator. I talked to the person who made it a little bit. But it is funny. The reason is because I know what prints the blood diamonds, And assuming that the green diamonds are the opposite, it is looking like if this was a red dot, it would be a blood diamond most likely. So that's how I thought. That's how I knew it was a green diamond. But anyway, I just give you guys all my secrets. It's okay though. But yeah, guys, this is a bullish pattern. This is looking primed, especially with the money flow coming up on the daily and this little trigger wave on the daily. This looks good. Now, obviously, going to be very heavily tied to Bitcoin. Now, pulling up our VPVR, where can we expect price to go? If we can get out of this triangle, probably going to be a pretty quick stop to your previous level of consolidation right here, coming in at about 8 cents. If you break that level, probably going to be a pretty quick ride up to about 10 cents. And if you really make it to the top of your range here, because really all this is a value area high. You know, we could zoom out a little more to get a different level. No, I wouldn't even. I would go right here. I like those levels. So here are your levels. Right now, we are sitting at the point of control. And then you have your value area high up here and a value area high up here. So these are your key levels. Pretty strong. Now, if let me just mark these out. So when we come back to this on Monday, but after it launches to the moon and we go, wah ha ha, we were right again. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. I mean, we probably will be right again, but that's okay. I mean, you know, I'm not, we're wrong too sometimes. I'm not acting like we're always right. Anyway, but right now we are fighting this point of control. If we can break out of this point of control and start closing decisive candles, higher time frame candles, 4-hour candles, well, boom. This is actually, yeah. So coming down to lower time frames, you can see we are starting to stick this point of control as support. Could we make it back up to the top of this pattern? Potentially. Even if you just rode this to the top of the pattern, to the top of the triangle, that's a 5.8%. You throw a little bit of leverage on that, you can make some decent money. Now, do you have a bullish divergence here as well? You do. So you have a bullish divergence here on the 4-hour as well. I think it is probably, could be likely that you move your way up to the end of this pattern. And then again, if you break out of this pattern, bringing back up that VPVR so we can get those low volume pockets, you know, if we get out of this pattern, it's probably going to be a quick stop up to about 8 cents. You know, this is going to be, I'm going to go ahead and mark these targets. You know, I would say about here is probably going to be target 1, right? And then I would say this, if you break that level, this is probably going to be your target, target 2. And then your last target is going to be that value area high right here. So I do think if we can get Bitcoin to turn on the thrusters and finally break out, we could see a potential move up here for Dogecoin to these potential targets, you know, ending up probably around here. And then we would have to, if we made it all the way up there, we'd have to reassess the situation. But, you know, likely if we break out of this pattern, at least we are definitely going to come up to this level, you know, from 6 cents to 13 cents. Let's see if we go from here all the way up to that top target. What is that? I got 95% gain. So that would be an absolute tear for, let's see. Let's just go ahead. Let's go ahead. We don't have, where is our price range? So boom. And then you could potentially move up about 95%. So hopefully we can get a breakout out of this level and work our way to the upside. So there's some levels on Doge. This is again, one of the altcoins that I am really watching in case we get some bullish price action. Doge has not really broken out of its range yet. It's kind of lagging behind everything. And these are some of the targets I'm looking for. Why did none of this? Oh, because we put inside. We'll go top. Target 1, make this white. Target 2, top, change this to white. Boom, so you can see it. Bang. So there are some of the targets we're looking at, guys. That's basically my setup for Doge. This is what I'm looking at for Doge. Screenshot it. Do whatever you want. There you go. Here, how about this? How about there? How about here? We're all about value on this channel. How about we just do this? I'll give you the chart. Boom. I don't care. I give everything away. I don't care. It's all free, guys. It's all free. I'm kidding. We got to make money somehow, eventually. But, you know, for now, you can have that chart. Anyway, I mean, it takes me 2 seconds. I know that's going to provide a lot of value for some people, and it literally takes me 2 seconds. So it's no big deal. Anyway, next on the list, GMT. Like I said, another one that I have been watching. I think this is the drawing from last night. On Debate Crypto, but let me just go ahead and give you guys some of the sauce here. Let's give them the sauce, baby. Give them the sauce. Tony D, get the Victoria sauce. Come on, let's go. We're giving it to him today, guys. I don't know. I am tweaking right now, guys. I'm excited. It's Friday. This is my favorite time of the day. I love doing TA. It's my 2 favorite things, hanging out with the Mafia and doing TA. I just wish we were all in person so we could all just chat, and I got to stand up here and talk. Like, God, who wants to sit here and listen to somebody talk for 2 hours? I'm just kidding. You guys want to hear me talk? Let's go. And we're not even like a quarter of the way through this volcanic Hawaiian water here. But we're just hyped. We're hyped, guys. I'm hyped about the new studio. I'm hyped that the stream deck doesn't work. I'm hyped. I'm hyped. Anyway, GMT, same story, right? Very similar looking to Doge, where we never really got our breakout. Right? We were kind of just ranging, right? This is a bullish pattern. Remember what I said. This is old school. This is for the OGs. The OGs will remember this. Higher low. Well, low. Higher lows. Higher lows. Higher lows. Higher lows. Pop quiz. What happens when you are making higher lows when you are approaching a flat level of horizontal resistance? What happens? I know you guys know. Pop quiz. Let me know in the chat. But there you go. Let me know. I'll let you guys answer. I know you guys know. But this is a bullish pattern, guys. This is typically, these typically will break to the upside. Now, some of the things I'm looking at as far as targets, pulling up that VPVR, trying to see where the volume is, right? You have a big high volume node here, right? Obviously, that results in price, kind of hanging out here, right? So our first level that we really, really want to break out of, would be technically this level. We already got up there. But to see GMT really, really run, let me zoom out a little bit. Yeah, GMT is so young. So yeah, like we are literally just looking at this thing from inception. Let me see. Is there a longer time? So March 18th. Let's see if we have a better chart here. Binance. Yeah, no, I mean, I guess this is it. This is it. Okay, so let's go. We'll go back to the other one. So if we do get that breakout, where can we expect to go? And how fast? I will let you know. But here we go. If we do break this level, let me get my brush. Boom. If we break, I would say if we break this level, this is really the level that we want to break out to. I mean, how high is this? I guess not. What we're looking to break out of is this level, right? If we break this level, boom, probably come up here. This is the first level we're looking at. If we can break this level of resistance, could get a pretty quick shot up to this level here at about $1.17. If we break that, probably going to be coming up to this value area high at about $1.30, $1.32. If you break that, probably likely that you will stick to about $1.40. Now, if we do get that movement, it will be about a 50% gain. Now you're getting up to this level of consolidation here, where you have another little spike in volume. If you break that level, if you could break this higher volume node, not a high volume node, but higher volume, you're probably going to get hung up here a little bit. But if you could bust past that, I would make my last target this range here in the $2 region, between about $2 and I would say about $2 and $2.20. And then if you got that rip up for GMT, what would that wind up being? Ooh, baby, that would be over 100%. That would be absolutely massive. So there you go. There is GMT. There are some of the targets that we're watching. A little messier. It's a little bit of a younger coin. So those levels are a little bit harder to find. But there are some levels I'm watching on GMT. So that is altcoin number 2 that I am keeping a close eye on. And then we'll take a look at Solana. These are the ones we were talking about last night, but these are 3 that I've had my eye on as they did not break their range yet. So I've been keeping an eye on these. But here we go. Let's see. Bada boom. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, this again, I mean, this is just looking more like Bitcoin. Let's see. Something like this. Bada boom. Just gonna rough out these levels, guys. I don't want to spend too much time on this. But yeah, I mean, you could do something wonky like that. But essentially, or you could just do the flat. Let's see. What do we want to do here? What do we want to do? Let me hide this VPVR real quick. Yeah, so I would. Hard to say. Let me pull a fixed range volume profile just so we can get a little more insight into where the support and the resistance is. I'll pull it from here. Let's pull it from here. Boom. Okay. So here's your I'll put it right there. Boom. Boom. Okay. So, and then we'll pull back up our VPVR, find out where the volume is. This is what we're looking at. I'm actually going to turn off the value area high, value area low, and the POC. Boom. So now we just have our point of control. Or no, we turned off the point of control, didn't we? Yes, we did. Where is the point of control? Okay, yeah. So it's in the same region. But if we do break this level, $50 even, you're going to get that. You do have a little spike in volume there. You're also going to get that. Maybe actually there about $48, between 48 and 50 bucks. You do have a spike in volume there, as well as that psychological level of $50. And then if you break 50 bucks, you might get a pretty quick ride up to about. Yeah, your next major stop is going to be probably like about 80 bucks, right? This level here, which would be the low of this wick right here, about 78, 80 bucks. That range, 77. Yeah, in the 70s. I mean, even if you came up to there, about $81. Yeah, probably in that range, right? So this would be target one for me. Would be about, that's 23% for target one. I'm actually going to go ahead and pull a fib from here. Come on. From there to here. Bada boom. And you can see we do have the 236 fib level right there, very close to this level, adding some extra resistance. So target one is going to be this general range right here. And we'll just do target one. Boom. Your next target would be this next level, which also does line up with that 0.5 fib level pretty closely. And you're going to go ahead and get this as your target 2. Boom. And this is if, guys, this is a big if we get a rip out of this area, right? And then if we get past that level, your next level, and then that was about your $80 level. If we get up there, your golden pocket is going to be in that 100, about that $100 range, right? So boom, boom, come on. Boom. Okay. And then we will go ahead and get rid of the fib. Boom. So here are your 3 targets, or my 3 targets, not your 3 targets. Probably want to put the number there, right? Target 3. Boom. And then what would that be from up here? Yeah, 150%. I mean, that's a pretty bullish prediction. But listen, if these things start to rip, I mean, we could see if we get a big bounce for Bitcoin, if we get Ethereum to rip up more. These things have barely broken out, so we could see this thing go absolutely crazy. But again, that's why you want to have, if you were to technically trade this, you want to take profits, right? So you take a little off the table, and your take profits could be completely different than mine. These aren't really take profit levels, but just kind of where I think price will go generally. If we continue to the upside, or if we get a breakout to the upside, I think these are some pretty good targets to look at because you do have a giant volume gap right here. So again, if you get above this purple box, right, this is the first stop, but if you get above that purple box, it's going to be a pretty violent rip up. You got hung up a little bit here. You might find some resistance in this middle of this box, but for the most part, it's probably going to be a pretty quick rip up to that second target. So there you go. There's Solana. Let's see. Smash that like button and let's get 550 for all this free knowledge. Mr. Redbeard, I appreciate that. It's free knowledge. I'm giving you guys the charts. I'm giving you guys the coins that are primed for explosion if Bitcoin and everything else decides to come up. Big if. We do have 555 people in here, so we just need each one of you to hit the like button one time. We'll get 550 likes, and you guys will get a ton of free NFTs. Let's see. Guys, go grab some XRP and HBAR, undervalued project. I would have to agree with that. Ayush, absolutely. Hope, what is going on? Welcome back. Cool indicator. Hope, happy to see you here. Thank you for being here. We appreciate you. We love you. Okay, we'll check out Blocktopia. I did almost 400% on in a month. It's a meme coin on the Cosmos ecosystem. Interesting. On Chihuahua. Okay, interesting. Like and sub, like, smash. Hope, we appreciate you. Thank you for being here. We love Hope on this channel. Rewired, what is going on? Like and sub. Thank you for that. Indicator not available. Interesting. Did you get out of your short at 20? No, I am still in my short. I am still in my short right now. Yes, still in the short. I was looking for a more detailed answer than that, but it's just a yes or no question. Let's see. Can we take a look at PYR? I'm just rejecting, right now, just rejecting off the golden pocket and finding support on the 382, just stuck in a range. What's money flow saying? Lane, well, perfect timing. We just hit that 1 hour mark. Probably going to get out of here in about 30 minutes, guys. I want to go home, recharge, and I think we're going to get we'll get a lot of sauce out of the rest of this stream. Because we're giving you guys these altcoin setups here. So, do BNB. Yeah, we can look at BNB. VPVR, VRP, FR, and which okay, yeah. Okay, so the fixed range or the volume profile. Which time frame do you prefer when labeling? Okay, JRego Music. That's a really good question. So let's see. Hang on. Let me just do this real quick. We'll just so we can get a little idea. If we hit our top price target, 150%, that would be pretty crazy. It almost seems, I mean, that just kind of seems like moon math in a bear market. But listen, we've seen Bitcoin pump 100% in bear markets, and the altcoins, if they follow, they're going to do more than 100%. So it's not too unrealistic. Looking at PYR, we could start looking at this for Mr. Lane Hughes, crypto KuCoin. Guys, exciting announcement. I don't want to announce it yet, but let's just say exciting things coming. I'm pumped. We've had a good couple days. We have a lot of really cool stuff that's going to go down on the channel. Let's see. Alert. There is a scammer in chat, guys. Yeah, Bitcoin and XYZ, that's a scam. You're not going to earn crypto with those people. Do not click them. I'm trying to keep you guys protected. That is a scam. It's hard to believe people click that, but just in case you're tempted to click that, do not click that. Let's see. Thank you, mods, for being quick on that. Specifically, Crypto Billy. Thank you. Okay, let's see. Thank you, sir. Lane Hughes, I got you, brother. I got you. Anyway, here we are on PYR. So, JRego, I'm actually going to answer your question at the same time because we're going to pull some volume on here in a second, but let's do some analysis on PYR. Looking at the daily. Money flow crossover into the green. VWAP coming up. That doesn't look too bad to me. You did not have the bearish divergence on the daily, but yeah, VWAP coming up, money flow in the green. That looks pretty good to me. 16-hour green dot is likely. There it is. Let me hide this. 16-hour green dot with a nice little trigger wave there. Money flow coming up. Doesn't look horrible in my opinion. 12-hour green dot with a nice trigger wave. Doesn't look too bad in my opinion. 8-hour money flow coming out on the 8-hour. This money flow looks a little bit worse to me. I'm looking at the money flow specifically because, Lane, I think that's what you're looking for. 8-hour money flow coming out pretty aggressively. 6-hour telling a similar story with money flow coming up, but now rejecting at that zero line. And you have the VWAP coming down. 5-hour, let's turn on Market Cipher A. 5-hour, VWAP coming down. 4-hour. 4 hour looking to print that red dot. 15-minute money flow. This is something to keep an eye on. 15-minute money flow coming down as that 4 hours looking to print that green dot is typically bearish. 3 hour, not too much. 2 hour money flow coming up. 1 hour money flow crossover into the green, but you've been pretty wonky here. Sketchy money flow action here. Let me find some levels here. Jay Rego, this is your cue to get your sauce ready. Dip your little piece of spaghetti in your red sauce so you can write down your notes here because I'm about to give you the sauce. So let's go. So what I like to do with the volume profiles, now I do many different things, but this is one way that I like to do it is I like to pull it on a range on the 4 hour or even the daily, right? So for this, like you could pull it like from, like I'll pull the volume on the daily and then, from a range. So if I wanted, where is it? Bada boom, bada boom. So let's say, let's go from here to here, right? So now, and then what I'll do is we'll look at it, right? And I'll just mark these levels out because this is messy, right? Now, I will bring it back up sometimes because it's nice to see, obviously, where the volume is. You can see there's obviously, the POC is here, value area high is here, but then you have a giant gap right here. Now, I don't know if I made a video on this. It's crazy. We've made so many videos. I don't know if I made one. I don't know if I made this. But there's different shapes for volume profiles, right? So this one looks like a capital B. Now, there's specific ways to trade each of these shapes. I believe I have a video talking about this. So check out the volume profile videos on the channel, and it will explain to you how you're supposed to trade these, right? Because there's ones that you might not want to short on. There's very specific ways to use them, but I will draw them on a higher time frame like the daily, and then just to get rid of the actual volume bars to clean things up, I'll just mark the levels out like this. With horizontal levels, and then I'll delete the volume profile, and then I will just label them like you were saying. This will be the value area high, right? Your POC. And the reason I like these, right, and your VAL, the reason I like this is because when price is ranging, this gives you a map. It gives you a map so you know where price is in relation to the range, right? You have clear high. Right? You have a high here, you came down. You had a high here, you came down. You had a high here, you came down. You had a high here, you came down. So this is clearly strong resistance, right? And then to add a little confirmation to that, you had a high here, you came down. You had a high here, you came down. Clear resistance, right? So that's your strong level of resistance. Your point of control, right, obviously acts as a magnet for price because you could see as you lost your POC, you came to the value area low, found support. Where are you going? You're likely to get sucked back to the point of control. You got rejected. You got sucked back towards that point of control. And again, your value area is between all of this. This is where price wants to trade. When you come out of the value area, it's likely you get sucked back in towards that point of control. So it kind of just gives you a map and a foundation to know, like right now, if you start to get a rejection from this level, it would be likely that you come towards that value area low. If you lose the value area low, it's likely that you'll come back to the value area. If you come down and find support, it is likely that you'll find yourself back at that POC. Then eventually, when the range breaks, you will come out of the value area. You might retest, and then you will come higher up, right? And then as more candles print, and if you get a lot of action up here and price starts to stick to these levels up here, your value area will change. Maybe your POC is here, your value area low is there, and your value area high is there, right? Does that make sense to you guys? I'm trying to explain this as simply as I can. So the value area will move. You're not just going to get stuck in this range forever, even though that's kind of what it feels like. So let me see if I could kind of come to a lower time frame. Let's see. I don't know if this will work in bar replay mode, but we're going to try. So let's see. So, okay, so price was trading all the way up here. This is perfect, right? So obviously, let's say we were looking at this range. God, this is like some scammy price action. So this is weird. I'm just going to randomly pull some volume right here, right? Yeah. Oh God. Yeah, oh no, hang on. We're going to go to regular candles. We're going to go to replay mode. We're going to zoom out. We'll just go all the way back here. We'll click this. Okay. So let's say we want to pull some volume on this area. From here, we'll go from here to here, right? So here's your value area high. Here's your POC, your value area low, your POC, your value area high, right? And you can see here, you came out of the value area, you got sucked back into the value area. Now you were down here. Let's see what happens. But I just kind of want to show you guys how the value area can move, right? So if this breaks way low down here, this value area will shift. So let me go ahead and draw a box on our value area. This is the sauce part. This is the sauce part of the stream, guys. I'm giving you guys the daily sauce. Here we go. So I'm just going to play this in fast. So you see, right, your value area is starting to expand, right? And look, you're starting to develop a lot of new volume down here, a lot of new volume. And you see your value area starts to move, right? Boom, now your POC is here. Your value area high is coming down. The value area is now moving down. So boom, pause it there, right? Your value area used to be up here, but because price started ranging and you started creating that new volume, now your value area is here. Obviously it's expanded, so you would have to move it like this, but now your value area has moved, right? So I think a lot of people get confused. Well, it's like, yeah, well, if you leave the value area, if you get sucked back to the value area every time you leave it, wouldn't price just stay in the same channel? That's what I used to think when I was learning, right? I was like, but the value area moves, right? So we could keep, right? So now this is your new value area, and let's go ahead and play. And let's see what happens, right? So we're coming down towards that POC. Boom, found support. Boom, come right back up to that value area high. Look. Now we're starting to build some more volume. Watch the volume bars up here. You're starting to build volume. See this volume coming in? See this volume come? Boom. Look at all the volume. Look at the new volume being created up here. Now your value area is going to shift up most likely. Boom. Now your value area is moving up. Value area is moving up, right? Value area high is coming all the way up. I wish I could go faster than this guy. Sorry. If it was a pre-recorded video, I would make it go faster. But let's see. Oh, no, we can't go that fast in the future. But you can see, right? You're starting to build more volume up here. There's more volume up here as price starts to stick. This is kind of what I was explaining when I draw it. Now you're getting a lot of volume. POC moved. POC moved up because there's a lot of volume up here. More of the volume is traded up here rather than down here. Boom. And this is going to take forever probably. But oh, there you go. It went to the current price. Right? Yeah. So you could see how the value area moves, and hopefully watching it live like that, you guys can see when I talk about, if you, when you move out of the value area and you come up, if price starts to stick up there, you create new volume and then the value area shifts up. So I hope that made sense to you guys. I didn't really have a planned lesson or a planned way to teach this. This kind of just popped up because Jay Rego's question. But that's kind of how I do it, right? So back to your question, Jay Rego, I will find those levels on the daily, mark them out, and then when you come down to your lower time frames, these are daily levels. This is from volume on the daily. I mean, you could draw the same thing if you zoom out far enough on a lower time frame, but I do it on the daily, and then it's just easier, and then I'll put those levels, and then you zoom in, and they're clearly respected pretty well. So there you go. I hope that helps you out. The one who made that indicator is Crypto Eats the World. It is a paid indicator, which is why nobody can find it. Thank you, Tony. Literally get to the bottom of it. You get to the bottom of everything very quickly. All right, let's check on chat real quick. There is let's see. Can we please check Ethereum? Yeah, we'll take a look at Ethereum again. So visible or fixed, which do you prefer? I like the visible range. I like them both for different reasons. I like the visible range profile because I can kind of, when I'm quickly trying to find like where I think price is going to go, or I'm trying to find key levels, I'll throw the VPVR on and I'll kind of just, you're essentially doing the same thing, but instead of dragging from here to there to make the fixed range, you're just zooming your chart to that level. So if I want to see from this to the current price, I'll just zoom in, right, until I get that visible. Boom. And then there's that volume profile, right? Let's see. Let's turn these back on. So you could see, right? I guess that is close to where we pulled it. So you get almost the same exact levels. So when I'm trying to do it quickly, I will pull the VPVR up because then if oh, wait, hang on. Let's see what the volume profile right here looks like. Let's see. boom, it adjusts. You get the levels. I just turned them off, so I'll turn them back on. But you get them. So when I'm trying to quickly find stuff, that's why I use the VPVR a lot on stream. It allows me to find these levels very quickly. But then if I'm like, it depends. It really just depends. I like them both for different reasons. VPVR is really quick. You can move around. It adjusts automatically. But then if I want to be more specific, I'll typically use the fixed range. So there you go. Queen Gee says, this is awesome. Well, I'm glad. I hope you got some value out of that. Let's see. This is crazy. Shout out Bud Lightyear. Let's see. Crypto Billy says, great sauce. Tasty. Let's get it. Can you please look at Moon River? We can take a look at Moon River. Dot will lead Web 3. Let's go. Check one of these, if not all. CKB Gala. We can take a look at Gala. And guys, I try to get to all the altcoins. If I ever miss your altcoin, I'm sorry. 40 people at a time are calling out altcoins. So I know sometimes I might be like, yeah, we could check that out, and then we don't. Hope E, hashtag value. You guys, hashtag value in the chat if you learned something there. It's always good to know if you guys are learning something or if you just want me to shut the heck up. Let's see. You're a legend. Shout out to Theodros Panayoto. Oh boy, I probably butchered that. Sorry, that was gold. Shout out the original power couple. Let's go. Thank you, Frankie. There you go. Well said. Okay, good. You guys are getting, hopefully you guys love it. Okay, awesome. All the coins. Get all the coins. Shout out. Let's go. Get these scum. Yeah. Anyway, hashtag value. Let's go. Shout out to you guys. I'm glad. I hope you learned something. And guys, sometimes it's not something, if you didn't pick that up right away, we'll go over it again, right? It's not always, I didn't get this the first time it was explained to me. It took a lot of watching 15 people, reading, how volume profiles work, watching all different people use them, how different people use them in different ways. And then you got to just try it and mess around with it, what works for you. And that's kind of how it works out. All right, let's see. Frunk, True LA, what is going on? Had sold before you did the TA. Loving your thinking, bro. Let's go, Dennis. Shout out to Dennis. Shout out, brother. I appreciate you. Shib TA. Damn, I'm impressed. You got my name right. I was close. I'm not typically good at pronouncing the names. Okay, let's take a look at some of these alts, guys. I'm going to go through them quickly. We're going to start off. We did PYR, right? Let's do Gala. The original power couple. Hashtag value times 1,000. Let's go, Elijah. Yeah, it's good to know when I'm giving you guys sauce. Always learning. Let's go, Cows World. ETH 1 hour also in a rising wedge. Heckin' bullish when it breaks up, right? Rising wedges typically break to the downside. Falling wedges typically break to the upside. But that doesn't mean that either one can't break the other way. Let's see. Absolutely loving your stream. Queen Gee, I got you. Welcome to the family. Okay. Ethan OP. Okay. Rohit, what is going on? Appreciate you being here. All right. Let's take a look at Gala real quick. Gala. Sometimes I forget to breathe, guys. I'm not going to lie. Like one day I'm just going to be doing stream and I'm just going to like pass out. Or like forget to take a breath. Excuse me. Here we go. So Gala kind of in the same situation where it has not broken out of its range yet. Looking at the daily. Money flow looking very similar to Bitcoin. I'm probably going to, 12-hour green dot, 16-hour green dot. This looks the same as Bitcoin for the most part. I'm going to just go ahead and find some good levels for you guys. I'm actually going to remove all these, okay? Let's see. Let's get that range going, right? Range. I mean, I guess it doesn't matter because we're looking to the upside, right? So that's your general range. You could go lower, sure. We'll go lower, right? Whatever. This is your range, right? Let's go ahead and pull up our VPVR. Speaking of volume profiles, let's see. VPVR, I just heard some weird something over there. Okay, here we go. Okay. Bada bing, bada boom. Here we go. Okay, so if we can work out of our way out of this box, guys, likely to come up to about 7 cents pretty quickly, right? It's not too far away, but that's kind of your first level, right? As you can see, you get that support down here, and then you're getting resistance. So if we break up here, technically your first target would be, about 7 cents, right? Now above that, probably going to run into some trouble around about 9 cents, I would call it, right? And then you really start to drop off with the volume here, right? Until this little spike right here. That might be your next sticking point. Boom. Going to be about 13 cents or about 13, 14 cents. And then another quick ride up to about 20 cents. Let's see. Yeah, up to about 20 cents. So boom, 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 boom. Okay. And then your support, obvious. Oh, come on. What just happened? What the heck just happened? I don't know what just happened. VPVR died, guys. The VPVR is gone. The VPVR just disappeared. What happened? We killed the VPVR, guys. Okay, well, it's gone forever. Anyway, and then let's just see. Let's go ahead and see what kind of rip this would be. Wow, that would be a 213. I don't think we'll get that high. Probably gonna, I think that would be more likely. I don't know if you're gonna rip all the way up here, but we'll keep it there. But I'm gonna say probably not gonna rip all the way up there. It'd be a massive rip. But there's some levels you can watch for Gala. Going back up to, yeah, that would be nice. That would be very nice. All right, let's see. BNB, OP, XRP, Gala, SHIB, ETH, ADA. Thank you, Crypto Anon. I appreciate that. Taking a look at BNB. Let's see. Cardano, can we please look at ETH? Yes, we'll look at ETH. Thank you so much, dude, for your TA. It's so useful. Of course, Mehdi Mukai. Oh, God, I'm probably butchering all these names. I apologize. Let's see. Missed your monthly payment. Hashtag value. Let's go. EXP show. Welcome back, man. Thank you for being here. Okay. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at BNB Binance. Actually, let's go BNB. Tether. We'll go, there we go. Bada boom. This one has levels already. Okay. Okay. Well, oh God, this is probably from so long ago. But beautiful. Okay. So coming over to the daily, guys. Coming over to the daily. Okay. Get rid of that. Okay, so coming on over to the what happened? Oh, that's where the VPVR went. How did that get clicked? I don't know how I did that. I don't know. I'm like interesting. Anyway, so for BNB, you do have a money flow crossover into the green on the daily, which is pretty good. 16-hour green dot. Not okay. So this looks a little different than Bitcoin. So you're looking to print red dots on BNB on the 16 and the 12-hour, where on Bitcoin you are printing red ones. You have that 8-hour red dot printing. Looking for those lower time frames to be crossing into the red. 15-hour looking to cross into the red here pretty soon. 4-hour not printing a red dot. Okay. Yeah, red dot on the 8-hour, 6-hour, 5-hour. 4 hours confirmed. 4-hour looking to roll back over to the upside. Okay, let's pull back up our VPVR. Boom. Okay. Let's go here. Bada bing. Okay. One more. Come on. Okay. Okay. So here's your volume profile. Yeah. All right. So if we can break this level, value area high, this is your next level to watch, right? $333 is your next level to watch. If you break that, probably going to work your way back up towards this previous area of consolidation, which as you zoom out becomes your value area high. So zooming back in, you have a value area high right here, right? Strong level. You could see rejected here. That's your next level. Now, zooming out, if you can work your way back up to this level, this area of consolidation here, you can see that in this area, there's not a lot of volume, right? That's a pretty empty volume gap. So if you could come up to this value area high, test it, test it, test it, test it, boom. You could get a very, very quick move up to about $376. So 333 is your first target. 376 is your next target. But you can see here, BNB is not one of those coins that did not break out, right? This is looking similar to ETH, where you broke out of your range, bullishly retested, and now you're back up to your last area of consolidation, whereas Bitcoin is hanging out somewhere down here. You never got that rip up to this previous area of consolidation. So there's some levels on BNB, guys. Keep an eye on that. And also, don't forget the coins I showed you that for those bullish setups, Doge, Solana, GMT, these coins, keep an eye on those because they are set up and ready to, they look like they're ready to pop if Bitcoin decides to go up. But again, as you guys know, we didn't really spend much time on Bitcoin because it's just being stubborn at this moment. Okay, let's take a look at OP because I know OP has been going absolutely OD. Let's see. Bada boom, bada bing. Oh God, tell me, guys. Somebody in the office bought OP, and they did very well. Congratulations! Shout out to Johnny. Crushed it with OP. It's nice to see people making gains in the bear market. But I gave him that first level. He said it's gonna pull back. It's pulling back. Where's it going? With candles, where's it going? I said, bro, watch this range right here, man. If it comes down, it's gonna retest right here. Boom! We got that launch. I think he sold, rode it. He sold, waited for it to come down. I think he bought back in and rode it all the way back up. I don't know if he's still in or not. He just recently asked me, where's the next pullback area? Let's see if this one plays out. I can't promise it's going to play out as good as this one did, but this is what I told him. I said, hey, look for right here before I move up. So we'll have to keep an eye on it. But taking a look at Market Cipher, red dot on the daily, right? So definitely have the power to come down to this level here. 16-hour, red dot confirmed. 12-hour, red dot confirmed. 8-hour, red dot confirmed. 6-hour, red dot confirmed. Yeah, so I think this thing probably has a pretty decent chance of coming back down to about $1.70, $1.72 before it coming back up to the upside. Money flow coming out on the 5-hour. Money flow coming out on the 4-hour. Money flow wonky on the 2-hour. Coming down, coming up, coming down in the red, in the green. But that 5-hour money flow is coming out pretty smoothly. Boom, that's looking for a crossover. So watch that level before a move up. And then, it's kind of hard to do TI on these like super new coins. But you might put in new all-time highs. Very interesting to see this thing absolutely rip like this. Very, very interesting. Okay, OP going down. I've made a video about it. Near flipped OP on volume. Interesting. Near. Okay, yeah, we can check out Near. No problemo. Crypto action. Let's go. Boom. All right. Okay. So you can see, guys, we've been talking about this previous areas of consolidation. Oh, there you go. Bada boom. Oh, man. Okay. Bang. I don't know when we drew this line. Dang. I wish I knew when we drew this line. I don't know if we drew this line before this happened or after. I think it was before. So maybe we called that perfect, but I just have no proof. Okay. So, I mean, you're there. Yeah, you're there, right? You're at that level. Pull up the VPVR. Boom, boom. Yeah, I mean, we're there. We're there. Yeah, I mean, your next big level, probably going to be right here. I'll give you guys another level right here. 580. 580 is probably going to be your next stop. If you break through. If you break through, next stop, probably going to be about 580. Now, let me close this. Yeah. Let's take a look at Market Cipher. Looking at the daily. Money flow crossover to the green. Not looking bad. 12-hour, 16 and 12-hour look like they could get overheated soon. 8-hour looking to cool off. 6-hour looking to cool off. 4 hours probably got a red dot. 4-hour looking to print that red dot here soon. Yeah. I would watch. Watch this local golden pocket. So local golden pocket could be your pullback area. But you could get a bigger dip down to this support level here. But watch this 15-minute money flow as your 4-hour starts to print that red dot, right? 4-hour prints the red dot. You're going down to the 15-minute and looking for money flow to cross over. If the money flow crosses over, you may be able to get into a short. Not financial advice, but that typically is a pretty good signal. So there you go. Next level, about 580. 580, if you can make it past here. Let's see. Go to a higher time frame. Bada bing, bada boom. Pull a fib from here to there. Yeah, so you're also up against the golden pocket, right? So this is going to be strong resistance. So right here, our line that we already had drawn is also a golden pocket. So you're probably going to cool off here a little bit as the 4 hour starts to get close to printing that red dot. So you could get a decent pullback. You could get a decent pullback here because typically, let me see, probably from here to here is probably going to be the golden pocket that, yep, look at that. Hey, guys, you look at the charts long enough and you're just able to call stuff or just like kind of figure out where golden pockets are. So I was going to say, where do we get this big correction here? I figured it was going to be on a golden pocket, and it was, right? So you come up to the golden pocket and you get a decent pullback, right? So this pullback, I would be watching, if you get rejected here, watch this golden pocket. Watch, actually, no, don't watch that golden pocket. Watch this golden pocket. Watch maybe this level. I would watch this golden pocket here at about 450. If you pull back to 450, you might get another leg up. But this is a strong level. This golden pocket's going to be a strong level to get through. But if you do eventually wind up continuing higher, look, guys, the 786 at 580. We just drew this line. I pulled the fib. It's right on the 786. This is a strong level. This is going to be your next stop. If you get a move up, that's your next level of key resistance. 580, I'm confident of that. So there you go. There's some levels on near for your crypto action. Shout out. Let's see. Bear div on ETH 15 minute. Checking it now. Let's go. Damn, I get the energy, guys. I'm just going right to whatever you're calling. ETH bear div. Let's check it. 15 minute. Bear div on ETH. You got the higher high on your price. You got, oh, baby, it's about to print. It's about to print. Boom. About to print. Bang. Look at that. Bang. Look at that. Higher highs. Beautiful. This is a bearish divergence, guys. Shout out. Not printing yet. Not printing yet. But it will print soon. It is looking to print soon. You're going to get that red dot. If that red dot confirms, you have a pretty nice bearish divergence here on the 15 minute. If you wanted to go ahead, yeah, you can watch some levels you can watch. Let me get you. Let me get you. Boom. Boom. These are rough levels for a pullback. Watch that golden pocket. How much of a move would that be? Okay. That's not a bad leverage trade. Almost 2%. Throw a little 10x on that baby and cash out. Cash out. Little scalp short. Not saying to get into that trade. But bearish divergence on the 15 minute. You might want to see lower time frame money flow coming out. Money flow starting to come out on the 12 minute. Money flow, yeah, not really coming out on the 10 minute. Yeah, I'd like to see money flow come out, but that 15 minute bear div is definitely going to print here very soon. So watch out for that red dot. But yes, short answer, yes. No Matic yet. Let's take a look at Matic right now. Right on the 786. Let's go, Lane. Let's go, baby. All my others were Yuri and Tokone. All right, let's take a look at Matic. Crypto Billy. Let's get it, baby. Matic. Bada boom. Here we go. Ooh, baby. Setting up for bang. Little mini cup and handle. Little wink, bing, pop. There's going to be... someone's gonna clip all my streams where I'm making noises like wink, big, bam, boom, bing, bing, bang, boop, bang, pop, boom, like all these random noises. Why'd I say it like that? All these random noises. Anyway, okay, taking a look here, guys. Taking a look at Matic, which has been on an absolute tear. God, I don't even know what we were looking at here. What were we looking at here? Bearish divergence on the daily. That's what we were looking at. Actually didn't play out that dramatically. Interesting. But as of right now, we are up against resistance here on the daily, probably above it on the lower time frames. Yep. But yeah, this seems to be the same level that Bitcoin is playing around on, right? We think we lose it and then we don't, and then we're back above it, and then we're below it, and now we're above it. Indecisive, guys. Where do you want to eat, Matic? Where do you want to eat? Oh, you don't know? Okay. Anyway, that was for the people in the beginning of the stream, if you guys were here. Anyway, let's see. Okay. Daily money flow in the green. About to print a green dot here on the daily here for Matic. Yikes! Actually looking not yikes, but I mean, hey, who's gonna? Oh yeah. Listen, if this daily green dot prints, guys, you're about to bust into this low volume gap. About to bust into this low volume gap from about here to about where we're at right now. Yeah, might get hung up here. Might get hung up in this area. But you pop over this level, probably coming up to about $1.07. If you break that $1.07, probably gonna be a quick ride up to about $1.38. You know, maybe $1. Yeah, let's see. Break into here. Break the purple box, you'll stop off probably at $1.07. If you break that, probably might get hung up at about $1.25, but then you're probably headed close to about $1.35, $1.40, because you don't have a lot of volume here. There's nothing really holding you up in this area or this area, right? So you might get stuck over here, and you might get, yeah, I would say, yeah, probably about $1.38 is probably that next stop. So boom, you might get banged around here a little bit, but if you pop up, it's probably gonna be a quick shot to about $1.38. So there you go. There's some levels on Matic. You also, come on, VPVR. Okay, yeah, there's some levels on Matic. Checked the pin message. Oh, thanks, guys. Look at you guys. You guys are all fancy like. 706 to your fibs and back test it and tell me it isn't a game changer. Okay, definitely will, brother. Flat Smack in the house. Where's he at? There he is. What's up, Flat Smack? Bing bong. What's up, brother? Thank you for being here. Jimmy with a stimmy. Now we can just clip that. Good point. I got set up there. Chusei Crypto, what is going on, brother? Thank you for being here. I got those for sample now. Oh, I missed that. I missed that whole thing, but let's go. Chusei, welcome to the stream, my man. Welcome to the stream. The Pluto Alliance in chat. Who is that? Smash the likes. Love you, Frankie. I love you too, Pluto. Pluto is a planet, guys. If you're not following NFT Alpha, guys, go check out NFT Alpha. Shout out to the Pluto Alliance. Is that Taco? I have a feeling it's Taco or DZ. For some reason, I feel like it's Taco. But let me know. Let's see. Let's check Mana, and then we're going to start winding down here. I'm going to try to knock out some more of the ones on the list, and then we're going to hop off here. Let's take a look at Mana. Oh, yeah. See, this was another one. I could have pulled this up. I should have pulled this up before. So this is another one set up in a really bullish pattern here, guys. This is higher lows. You know, it's an ascending triangle, you could call it, but you got a low, you got a higher lows, you got higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low against flat level of horizontal resistance. You're knocking on the door. It's bound to open. A lot of times when you see this forming, it breaks up more than it breaks down. So this is a very bullish pattern. And here's the thing with Mana, right? If we break this look at this volume gap. This is where the moonshots happen, guys. This is where the moonshots happen. Let's just go ahead and let's go ahead and put a box here, right? Now, you have to remember, you see these little clips in volume. You could get hung up there a little bit, but generally, guys, I mean, your low volume, like it's almost a low volume gap. Like there's almost nothing holding you back in this entire area. Like there's almost nothing holding you back. I mean, you can even call it from here. We'll be generous. From here and there, right? That's a pretty low volume gap. So if price is able to make it over this level, you might get banged up against this box a little bit, but you get into this box, probably going to be a quick shot to about $2, which would be a pretty nice rip for Mana. So that's 100%. Looking for 100% on Mana if we can get this breakout and if everything else comes up with it. You are getting a money flow crossover on the daily here into the green, which is a good sign, and you're pretty close to that resistance. So if you're going to break out, you're about to get a chance. So keep an eye on Mana and keep an eye on these levels because it is looking pretty dang good. I'm not going to lie. You might get hung up here. You know, there's a couple spots where you might get hung up, but mostly, you know, you might get a little hung up right here and here. But for the most part, look at the volume gap, guys. There's nothing here. There's nothing here. That's why you were able to move down so slowly right here. I mean, you were able to come down so quickly right here. And you can see, right? You get this little area right here. You see price got chopped up here before continuing down. And then we came up. We had an interaction right here. And it's not to be surprised because you do have a little bit of volume there and a little bit of volume here. Reaction, reaction. I hope that made sense for you guys. I know I'm going pretty quick here. But that's what I'm looking for on what are we looking at? Mana. On Mana. So there you go. Potential 100% move out of Mana if we can get this thing to move. All right. Let's see. Let's see. Jump on the train. Jump on the Mana train. Is that what you're talking about? Who here plays Decentraland? Taco, you know, baby. What's up, Taco? Guys, Taco in the chat. Taco's awesome. We love Taco. He works with us here. He helps out Pluto Alliance a lot. He does a lot of stuff. Taco's an important person. But shout out to Taco. We love you over here, brother. It also takes us to the golden pocket. That's baby. Let's check it. Let's check it. I don't know what golden pocket you're talking about there, Lane Hughes, but I bet we can find it. It's this golden pocket now, isn't it? It is. From here, from this, right before we got the breakdown, Lane Hughes. Thank you, Lane Hughes. Come on, man. You're the best, bro. So right at the beginning of this breakdown, before we got this big move down, if you pull your fib, don't pull your fib out in public, people. But if you pull your fib from here all the way down to this swing low, from here to here, it does bring you to a golden pocket. So, and guys, you can't make it up. Sure, we didn't get every single one. This doesn't have a fib level, but look at our last thing right here. I said you'd get hung up on this level. It's the 382 fib level. But other than that, it's going to be a pretty smooth ride to about $2, which does is look like the area where you're going to reject because you do have that golden pocket. So there you go. Hey, Lane Hughes, thank you for pointing that out, man. You are the best. Check pinned message. BNB, OP, XRP, Gala. Okay, so we did BNB, we did OP, we did Gala, we did ETH, ADA, and Engine. Yeah, Engine looking good too, I believe. I was looking at Engine the other day. Boom. Okay. Come on. There we go. Okay. So here's your range, right? Here's your range. Bang. Bang. Hasn't broken out yet, guys. Has not broken out yet. So, yeah. Let's bring it down here. Boom. Okay. So I'm going to put this here. Put this here. Pretty big volume gap here, right? And it is funny. I love that Lane Hughes brought up that we were coming down to that golden pocket. Blanchard's Bees and Crypto Zombie. How'd you guys do that? How'd you guys do that? Blanchard's Bees says Bing, and then Crypto Zombie said Bong right after her, and they both put Bees. Are you guys together? How'd you do that? Shout out to Blanchard's Bees and Crypto Zombie. How'd you guys do that? That's crazy. ADA, we'll take a look at ADA as well. Let's see. Okay, so here we go. If we break out of our first purple box here, this original range that we are stuck in, could be a pretty quick ride up to this level here at about $1.04. Let me just go ahead and let me just readjust this a little bit. Right about there. Bring us up to about $1.04. If we break that level, probably going to be a pretty quick ride up to about right here at about $1.34 and right here at about $1.07, $1.06. Call it what you want. But let's see. Bada boom. Once again, our last target is a golden pocket, right? I did not do this beforehand, guys. It's just funny. When you find these key levels, typically they are a key level for more than one reason. You know, you have a high volume node and then also a golden pocket, key level, right? So it just so happens to be a key level right there. So that would be your target. If we get that rip up, going to be about 100%. 100% on a lot of these altcoins is looking possible. Again, if Bitcoin gets a ride up or Ethereum continues to rip, right? If Bitcoin and ETH just eat it, it's going to be bad, right? This is not going to happen. Anyway, let's see. Bing, bing, bing. Let's go. Dang, these guys are brutal. Let's see. I'm trying to, guys, I'm sorry. I'm trying, geez, Scammer's not a thing. Jesus. Anyway, new moniker for Blanchard's feeds. Love it when a value area high is also a golden pocket. Never misses. Lane Hughes, absolutely. Okay. All right, let's take a look at XRP. We're running out of time here. XRP, but this is, I think, the juiciest alt TA we've ever given. Because if we do wind up getting a move to the upside either over the weekend or next week, these look like they're pretty good, right? But just remember, there's no promises that we're going to the upside. This big move that ETH had, it might be over, and it might indicate that this was the local top of this relief pump. Definitely possible that we've locally topped out for this relief pump. But if it continues, these targets are probably going to get hit. I'm not going to lie. XRP, same deal, right? XRP never really got its breakout either. Just generally going to draw the little range that we're in down here. And then let me get you some levels here. Boom. 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 Target 1, target 2, target 3. Target 4 if you can make it up to that value area high. And then let's go ahead and pull a fib just because, it's been fun lately. Let's see. Bada boom, bada bing. Again, the last target is your golden pocket, right? And then let's see. Let's just move this down. Yeah, your last target here, golden pocket at about 92 cents. Now, guys, this would be an absolute rip for ETH. Why am I saying ETH? For XRP, 150%, maybe more likely to come down to here, right? At about 100%. So that first target, this one I think is a little bit of a reach, but that first one at about 77 cents could be possible, right? Could be possible. So there you go. There's a little bit of juice on, a little bit of that sauce on XRP. You did come into the green for a second, now back into the red. But there's some levels to watch on XRP. Let's check out ICP. Who was asking? Someone was asking for ICP. I saw it a few times. We'll take a look at it. Let's see. I wish those volume profiles were built up before I set my limit buy to 28 on XRP. Oh, man. Dang. Crypto Zombie says, we smash it twice for real. Let's go. Blanchard's bees be out here trying to hurt my brain. Mind equals blown to Pluto Alliance. Yeah, it's us. Okay, I see. You tripped me out with that, Blanchards. Okay, ADA and ICP are going to be the last ones. Yeah, let's go. ICP. I don't know. Is ICP dead? I'm not saying it is, but I don't know. I don't know. What is it? It's like Internet Protocol, I think, right? Okay. Well, hey, still in your little range here. A little bit of a weird, a little bit of a weird range. Let's see. Pull it from here to here. Yeah, I don't know. This thing is, I don't know. Anyway, let's pull up the VPVR. Let's see. Boom. Let's see. Boom. Come on. All right. Zoom in a little more. Bang. Give me the levels I want. Boom. Okay. So this is the original range that I wanted, right? That's your value area high. This is your value area low. And now, there we go. Okay. So, okay. Yeah, we're so close to breaking out for a lot of these. If we can break out right here, look at that volume gap, guys. Big volume gap. Boom. 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 Get rid of the VPVR. Get rid of that arrow too. Get rid of the VPVR. If we break out, I do think we could get a quick move up to about 12, about 1250 if we leave there and come up about 1672 all the way up to about $20. Let's measure it. 150. Yeah, see, this is gonna be 100. Yeah. So they're all basically the same levels on everything. Because you could tell, right? We keep our highest targets are always 150, right? And then the one right under it is about 100, right? So we're in like the same ballpark for most of these coins. Again, this is probably a little more likely than 150% up here at about $20. Grabbing our Fibonacci retracement tool. Let's check it. Boom, golden pocket, guys. That's your target. That's your target. Another golden pocket. Nailed it on that same level, right? So there you go. 100%. We get 100% out of this thing too. Dang. Granted, I don't know much about ICP. Yo, did we look at ADA yet? I'm here late. I can go back in the stream, have an open position right now. We're actually going to take, who's gone chicken hunting? I've never gone chicken hunting. I've been pheasant hunting. I've been crane hunting. I've been quail hunting. I've been deer hunting. I've done a lot of hunting in my life. Never chicken hunting though. Anyway, pumping. Why did I just say that? I just said pumping for no reason. ADA. Why did I say the word pumping? That was very strange. I think I just had a stroke. Anyway, okay. Let me get rid of these levels. Screw these levels. Yeah. Still, ADA, just no breakout here. I'm gonna go ahead and call shenanigans. Yeah, let's go ahead and let's turn on VPVR. Boom. Here we go. Let me just get this original range here. Okay. This is our range. Kind of the same thing here. Almost every coin we've looked at so far has not gotten its breakout that everything else has seen. But I say this. I say if we can get out of our box here, first target, not very far away at about 63 cents. Next target next target is right here. That's going to be your next target. I don't even really think, there's just nothing in between there. As you can see, resistance, turning off the VPVR. You could see, right? Boom. Immediate move to the downside, and then you built a little resistance right here. So if price can get up here, boom, and you break out, probably gonna be a quick move up to about 80 cents. Where's our golden pocket? Is it gonna be right on 80 cents? There's no way, right? Because that would just be too coincidental. Yeah, there you go. But we could just bring it down here. Okay. So your golden pocket's up here, but you do have your 0.5 fib level in this target here. Let's go ahead and we'll put another target on this golden pocket because I bet, I'm not going to do it, but I bet you there is some kind of other significant level there as well. Let's bring our here, right? First target's going to be about 25%. Second target's going to be about 60%. Last target's going to be about 85%. And that 786 is going to be your 100% move. Not saying you're going up 100%, but the level is there, right? So here are some levels to watch on ADA, potentially bringing you back to that dollar mark, which would be an absolute tear. All right, let's see. 55 minutes ago. Guys, I'm only staying on for another half hour. Tony, you're not wrong. Yeah, I don't know. Still here, Frank. Yeah, Rice is still here, Frankie. I get uninterested halfway through with TA on dozen alts. They all follow BTC at the moment. So the TA is fun, but daily alts that do the same has me. Same sauce, diff pasta. Same sauce, different pasta. I like that. I like that. Yeah, YOLO, I cannot help myself. It's Friday. I got to give you guys the sauce. I think, listen, a lot of these altcoins, guys, have not gotten their breakout. So if we get Bitcoin to pump, these altcoins are ready and chomping at the bit. Now, it doesn't mean they're definitely, I'm not showing you guys these bullish setups because I'm saying these things are about to blast off. It's heavily, just like Ryesh was saying, it's very heavily dependent on Bitcoin. All the alts for the most part follow Bitcoin. Some of them look a little different. But we need Bitcoin to break out for this to happen. If Bitcoin does not break out, these alts are not going to do anything. We could lose it to the downside and dump. But if Bitcoin gets that breakout like ETH did, and we come up to that previous consolidation area, I'll bring it up right here. If Bitcoin can break out and come back up to this level, these alts, and if Ethereum can continue up, alts are probably going to fly up to those targets that we just gave you. So there you go. They're definitely set up in a bullish manner. But with all that being said, guys, I think that's all we have time for today's stream. 526 likes, guys. Let's run it up to 550. If we hit 550 likes by the time we're done spinning the wheel, I will give you the 10 spins. But for now, it's going to go ahead and be 5 spins. But let's run it up to 350. We still got 386 people in here. Not too bad for a Friday night. I know people got stuff to do, but thank you for spending your time with the CandleMafia. There's a lot of things that you could be doing right now, and you guys choose to spend it with us, and I appreciate that. And Tyler said, nah, we appreciate it, especially if you intraday or looking for new entries on different ones. Absolutely, absolutely. There are so many people with accounts from Crypto Bull. If we get news that the bull market is back on, all those people are going to be checking their BTC. Smash the likes. Thank you, Matthew. And look at that. We started it off with a giveaway. Let's go. Spin number 2. Oh, boy. I think you guys are going to beat me to 550. We're going to have to give you 10 spins. I'll do it. I don't care. All right. Oh, giveaway number 2. Spin number 3. Let's go. What am I doing here? Oh, come on. Random. Boom. Okay, let's get it. I don't even know what number spin this is. But I got to grab these links, guys. Bear with me here. Oh, come on. What a rug pull. What a rug. Okay, let's see. Giveaway. Give it to him, baby. Give it to him. All right, let's see. I have to. Oh, dang. CryptoFace was live. Or he was live 6 hours ago. Nice. I missed that one, though. Dang. Okay. Let me go ahead and pull up our giveaway. 546. So close. Let me pull up my giveaway link. Guys, by the way, if you're looking for our second upload for this week, there was a little mishap, little technical difficulties, but I will either be uploading our, a lot of people asked for my Lux Algo video. Do you have a video showing us how to use Lux Algo? I recorded it today. I cut it today. I believe it's uploaded to the channel. I had some of the editors help me out uploading it to the channel, but I'm just waiting on a thumbnail. If I get the thumbnail tonight, I will upload it tonight. If I get the thumbnail tomorrow, maybe I will upload it tomorrow. But hopefully we can get it uploaded this weekend, so keep an eye out for that. Okay, let's see. Get shareable link. Bada boom, bada bing, paste. I'm just giving you guys extra time to get in the giveaway. Here we go. Filter duplicate users. Remove winner. 7. Okay. Okay, there we go. 548 likes. Did we get 5 spins yet? Oh, I gave you. Oh, okay. 555. Fine. I'll give you 10 spins. Let's go. I think it just updated late. Let's get it. Great stuff, Frankie. Mr. Tom Dalton, I appreciate you. Black Diamond, what is going on? It's rigged, baby. It's rigged for giveaways. Let's go. I think that was spin number 7. Spin number 8. Let's get it. Is the funny hat made of aluminum? Hey, Jess Jim. I'm just saying, aliens do exist. Anyway, here we go. 2 more spins. Spin number 9. Let's go hunting, brother. I did not know you were into that. Yeah, man. I grew up hunting. I grew up hunting for sure. I've had hunting dogs my whole life. I've had bird dogs. I've had German short-haired pointers. I have beautiful bird dogs my entire life. Yeah, spent a lot of time hunting. We'll say this. I haven't been skeet shooting in a while, but dude, skeet shooting is so much fun, bro. I'm a big skeet shooting guy. Anyway, there you go. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 extra giveaways on top of the other NFTs that we're giving away, guys. Here we go. let's go ahead and let's do this, baby. Let's do this. Here we go. All right. If someone could let me know, and hashtag Pluto is a planet. I like comment. That means I'm in, right? Yes. Or I think you meant to say that means you win. Haha, maybe. Big Mac, what is going on? Go ETH. Let's go. That explains the Cavs. Absolutely. Okay. All right. Let's go with hunting. Is hunting what explains the Cavs? That's pretty funny. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and let's go ahead and pick our winners here. All right. The winners are in. Let's go. Oh, and guys, we got Tech Fleece joggers on sale. Shop now if you want. Anyway, I'm kidding. I don't know why that says that. If somebody could update me on the amount of NFTs that we have to give away. Hunter's Cavs. Yeah, that's right. Confirmed Frankie likes to skeet. Shoot. I see you. I see you, Ivar. I see you. I've never had an NFT. Hey, you might get your first one today. Leave you. God, I'm sorry. I probably butchered your name. Okay, let's get it. How many do we have? How many do we have? I'm just waiting for confirmation. Someone will pop it in here. I can smell it coming. I can smell the number coming. Let's see. Let's see. Steph says 7. It's definitely more than 7. Pick me. Pick me. Black Diamond. I will. Maybe I will. Let's see. Let's see. Does anybody? Tony D. Tony D. Fall Guys lobby in Discord. Let's see. Let's see. Does anybody know how many NFTs? I guess we'll start picking them, and then I will just discount them. All right. So winner number 1 for an NFT. Let's get it. Bada boom. Who's it gonna be? You son. Comment. Finally trying to win for 4 weeks. Thanks. Hey, you son. You won this time, man. 4th time's a charm. So shout out to you. You won an NFT. Reach out to the mods in Discord. Oh, thank you. Crypto Billy is looking. Mrs. Candles entering the studio as we speak, just in time for the giveaway. Should we let Mrs. Candles announce the giveaway winners? Okay, she turned it down real quick. Real quick. She was like, no. She's like, shut up. I'm not here. Oh, she'll count them. We just picked our first winner, so if you can keep track of that, because I'm real bad at it. Okay, boom. Crypto Billy said he's looking. Thank you, Crypto Billy. I love you, brother. Let's see. I want an NFT, a mellow fellow. Hey, if you're mellow enough. 6 before today's stream. Really? Wow, I feel like that's pretty low. 80, Unforgettable Name says 80. Okay, so 6, and then how many did we add? I think we just added another 6, right? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 NFTs. Let's go. All right, so we got one winner. Winner number 2. This is the wrong thing. Well, I have to give you the spin now. I can't just spin the wheel and not give it to you. What a scam. No! I'm going to give away another one. I'm just kidding, guys. It is funny, though. I just got wrecked. Anyway, boss lady in the house, Matthew Barnes, shout out, says, hola, Mrs. Candles. Let's see. The sneak peeks will never get Mrs. Candles and Cavs. Yeah, you will get the Cavs. I'll tell you this. You're definitely going to see the Cavs before you say Mrs. Candles. I don't know if you guys will ever. Your best chance of seeing Mrs. Candles is going to be at a meetup because she's probably going to be there. Yeah, probably. You owe us spins from yesterday. Yeah, what do we have? 500? 500 likes? I'll give you 5 more spins. All right, here we go. 2 pulled, 10 left. We're going to add a couple here. Unbelievable. All right. So he says, all right, Mrs. Candles, 11 left. We have 11 left. Here we go. We have 11 NFTs left to give away. Cow's World says, what's up, Mrs. Candles? Oh, no, baby cow reveal. Oh, no. Here we go. 500 spins. Thanks for waiting the bottom of the wheel at Tony D. Oh, God. Another one. Add another one. Oh, boy. 1K likes for Mrs. Candles reveal. Oh, baby. We got 1,000 likes one time. I don't know if it'll ever happen again, to be honest with you, but we did get 1,000 likes one time. I'm kidding, guys. I'm kidding. We're going to get 1,000 likes again. It's going to be normal, especially in a bull market. But don't rug us, Frankie. Oh, my God. I'm getting wrecked. Add another one. All right, so you guys got 10 spins. All right, so I think this is the last one. I'll give you one more after this because I'm just, oh my God, is it weighted? I want to see those baby cows. Those calves are huge. All right, I think this is the last one. I guess it's going to probably land on giveaway if I had to guess. Oh, so close. All right. Here we go. How many do we have now? Oh, God. Mrs. Candles is fired already. Oh, God. Okay. All right. Well, Mrs. Candles almost rug pulled you guys here. Okay. 1, 2, 3 extra. 14. All right. We'll do 15. 15 more winners because we failed you on that. Okay. Here we go. 15. Now we have 14. David Brumbelow, not financial advice. 100% not financial advice. Thank you for the update, Frankie. I doubt the bear market is over. Either way, I'm well invested already. And if it's not over, I'll be investing a lot more when we go further down. David, I mostly agree with you there. Shout out to you, man. You deserve it. You're like one of the absolute OGs of this channel. Congratulations. Reach out to the mods in Discord. And we got another one. So what are we up to now? Okay, Mrs. Candles is fired. Like extra fired. She's fired and gets a bad referral.
That was the third spin.
Okay.
No, I'm doing good.
All right. Congratulations. You're awesome, Frankie. Pedro, thank you very much. I appreciate that. They're close, but they're not really that close. My wife knows where to find my keys if I die. Okay. I have no idea how many NFTs we're giving away now.
No, I know. We're good.
Okay, so we have 14 more. All right. Alex Green, epic stuff, guys. Always keeping me posted. Alex Green, congratulations. Reach out to the mods in Discord. You'll want a free NFT, my dude. 13 more. Let's go. Jack Destiny says, gotta be honest, since my daughter was born 5 weeks ago, I've had barely any time to keep up with the live shows. I will be back there soon. Keep up the good work, Frankie. Jack, we'll be waiting for you, brother. Take your time. And congratulations on your brand new, squeaky clean, brand new daughter. Squeaky clean. Why did I say squeaky clean? I don't know. But shout out to your new daughter. Congratulations, man. We'll be waiting here for you patiently. And we will keep the sauce coming on these pre-recorded videos. No worries. We got 12 more. Let's go. Cows World! I know you're in here, brother. Bye-bye, Mrs. Candles. That's funny. Well, Cows World, you want a free NFT. Let's go. Yeah, you know what to do, brother. You're in here every day, so I know you know what to do. I don't even got to say it. All right, winner. We got 11 more now. Hey, Theodoros Panayoto. I'm so sorry, brother. I can't say your name, but he says TA GOAT. I appreciate you, brother. Thank you very much. Reach out to the mods in Discord to get your free NFT. I appreciate you for watching the channel, man. And Palmetto Nick with the 8-ball lips. I like that. All right, here we go. Oh, I saw Tony D's face. That would be quite the scam. Karen, what is going on, Karen? Thanks, Frankie. Love seeing the levels. Of course. Am I on the right? I hope I'm on the right. I'm on the right video, right? Yeah, we're on the right video. Okay, just making sure. Guys. Just making sure. Okay, Karen, congratulations. Reach out to the mods in Discord for your free NFT. Let's go. 9 more winners. Let's go. Ninja, what is going on? Excellent content, Frankie. Keep up the good work. I appreciate you, Ninja. You're awesome. I appreciate you. Reach out to the mods in Discord to win your free NFT. I'm going to speed it up here because we're running out of time. Steve H says, very interesting, and thanks for your hard work you put into this. I'm guessing this took a lot of time. Steve, thank you. Somebody out there knows. That took a lot of time to make that chart. Took a lot of time to record that video, so I appreciate you so much. I'm going to give you a free NFT. Reach out to the mods in Discord, and they will give it to you, my man. Here we go. We got 7 more winners. Crypt TKO, let's go. Great video, Frankie. Crypt TKO, you deserve it, brother. Are you in here right now? If you are, show yourself. And also, guys, I was thinking about this. This is for the OGs. I was thinking about this the other day. I haven't done this in a while. Are you not edutained? We got to bring that back. I haven't said that in a long time. It made me sad. So anyway, CryptTKO, congratulations. Mrs. Candles hates me for saying that, but that's okay. Anyway, CryptTKO, congratulations, brother. Reach out to the mods to get your free NFT. I appreciate you for being an OG, my man. 6 NFTs left. Eric Wallen, what is going on? New to the channel. Hate to say it, but I like your professionalism and talent more than people. I appreciate the kind words, Eric. I very much do. But I would not be anything without Ben. So I will say that. I love Ben to death, but I appreciate that. That is flattering. And I appreciate it so much that I will give you this free NFT. Shout out to you, Eric. I appreciate you, brother. Reach out to the mods in Discord. Let's go. 5 more winners. Here we go. Mine says, had already liked the video, but did not think to comment till I started watching the stream. Thanks for all the daily sauce. Mine, I got you. I'll do it every day just for you. But now you can call that free NFT mine because we're giving it to you. Reach out to the mods in Discord. And guys, if you're going to tune into the channel, if it's not for the TA, why not just tune in for the corny jokes, right? For the jokes that are so unfunny that you have to laugh. I'm just saying. Enzo Ferrari, Frankie, you're the man with the spaghetti. Let's go. Shout out, brother. You're an OG too, man. You've been here forever. Congratulations. Reach out to the mods in Discord for your NFT. Shout out to Enzo. We appreciate you, brother. 3 more winners. Let's go. Why always me? Yo, W in the charts. I am giveaways hunter, but I watch your video offline because of Time Pro. It's like 3 a.m. Oh, boy. Why always me? Thank you for watching my videos at 3 a.m. They must be packed with that value. And he got the bull and the hearts. Let's go. I appreciate you for watching us so early in the morning. Why always me? Reach out to the mods in Discord so we can go ahead and get you your free NFT. Here we go. Gavin Crocker says, top content as always, most genuine guy in crypto. Gavin, I appreciate that. You seem like that was the most genuine comment I ever read. Reach out to the mods in Discord so we can get you that free NFT. Thank you for watching the channel. I appreciate you more than you probably think, Gavin. More than you think. Last winner. What'd you say? Oh, last winner. Matt says, great job explaining Bitcoin's history. Really helpful. Matt, I appreciate that comment. It almost sounds sarcastic, but I don't think it was. Shout out to Matt. I appreciate you, brother. Thank you for watching the channel. I hope you did get some value out of that video. And reach out to the mods in Discord because we got you that NFT. I appreciate the kind comment more than you probably think. So shout out to Matt. And that is all of our giveaways. But let's see if we can fix this stream deck live on air. So I can go ahead and switch to my face camera so we can go ahead and sign off and kick you guys off into the weekend and hopefully a weekend of gains. No, I can't. Mrs. Candles, can you go ahead and click on the big box that has just my camera? It's like the second box to the right. Yep, click on that. And then in the middle of those 2 big screens, just hit cut. Oh my God, no, not that. No, I'm kidding. Anyway, guys, that's all I got for this one. I appreciate, we still got 313 people here. We went over, we're 2 hours and 20 minutes. This might be the longest stream we've ever done. Still have 300 people in here. 587 likes. Smash the like button on your way out. Let's get it to 600, guys. I appreciate every single one of you so very much. And Mrs. Candles, if you could just ready where it says end stream or stream ended, you might have to scroll. Yeah, guys, sorry, the stream deck's broken. It's the little animation says stream ended all the way at the bottom. Yep. It says, hey, see you next time. Oh, yeah. Click that, and then when I tell you to, when I say Frankie Candles out, you got to hit cut at the same time so it's all smooth. But you're going to have to click it first. Click it? Okay, yeah, and then get ready to hit cut. Guys, we're training. Not right now. She almost cut me off. She's trying to cut me off, guys. She's trying to cut me off. I'm just kidding. Yeah, this is it. We're training Mrs. Candles live on the switcher as we're live. But with all that being said, guys, thank you so much for spending your Friday night with me. 288 people still in here. A lot of things you could do with your time on a Friday night. But you're here getting that sauce from your boy, Frankie Candles. CandleMafia, I love each and every single one of you. Thank you so much for tuning in. And I will see you in the Discord over the weekend and right here, same place, same time, on Monday at 5:45 Eastern Standard Time. That's all I got. Frankie Candles out. Bing bong.
Tyler Ramos.
Bing bong.